Can't see, man, the blizzard, dudes. There's too much snow out here, man.
Flipping coupons in the stock market.
That boy is good.
Good and terrible.
I don't know, sir.
People talking about how I can't use auto-tune or how I should use auto-tune, man.
Bruh.
Hype in the chat! Look here! Look, listen!
Hello, Fredos. Welcome to episode 876 of the show. You could be doing anything, but you're here. The S&P 500 future still selling off. Scrubby. It's Patreon night. Bitcoin's done a bunch of nothing since today's stream. Spinning top into more indecision. Oh my god, if it stayed the same. 2 inside bars. Gross, that's bearish. That's not like good. Okay, so not oversold yet. You get it, man, right? Same thing, but I'm here. I'm gonna hang out with the peoples in the Patreon chat. It's different. Thursday nights. If you're not used to it by now, get used to it or be destroyed. Hello?
It's YouTube.
Yeah, it's YouTube. Oh my god. Y'all voted for it.
No, YouTube. You.
Oh, YouTube.
Two Utes we're talking about.
To what?
Talking
Exactly.
about A3 and MK.
Can you get a sound check? Sound check on the
Can't
music
tell.
and
One, two.
the ambience, the blizzard ambience in the background because of snow. Ugh. Scary.
Looks serene. The snowflakes are falling so slowly.
Yes,
Did
but
you guys see my lifetime SPX Heartline?
the lifetime SPX Heartline, I do not declare, I do not believe. I have. Let me
I think
see.
I put it in Patreon chat.
Let me take a gander. Let me look here and listen. Hold on. Too many tabs. Oh, shoot.
What's up, MK? He's in the chat, Jeff.
Oh.
Is he? I don't see him.
Where?
Yeah, he's there.
In the
Yeah, on
YouTube,
YouTube.
chat.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you meant in here.
Oh, I'm sure he's
MK, get in here.
What's up, MK? Tell Carl I say hi as well.
Oh yeah, Heartline.
Tell
I
your-
see.
tell-
I see.
Tell your kids their 15 Rokus are on their way.
Roku
I like
Connect.
Carl. He was a cool guy.
We're pumping Roku.
Yeah, Carl's
that
cool.
guy.
Sounds good. SPX doing things, indeed. They are. Snowflakes scare you? Wow, dude. Well, you should figure out how to not be scared of snowflakes. What's the phobia of that anyway? I don't know, man. All right, so I guess
There's
we were
gotta be a
talking.
phobia of snow.
Is there a phobia of gap fills on the futures chart? Because you should finally be scared the first time ever.
It's about
There's
to
a
be.
phobia of wheel spins.
Yeah, I have that, but I'm
Chinophobia. Extreme dislike or fear of snow. and snowflakes.
Chinophobia.
Chion. CHION. Phobia.
Chinophobia. Okay. Chinophobia. Interesting. Well, hopefully no one's that. If they are,
Coronaphobia.
they can't watch. They're not allowed to. What's up, John Lewis, man? Coming back to the U.S. from Thailand. Keeping his finger crossed, wearing his mask. All right, dude, don't get sick. And if you get sick, don't get anyone else sick. Kangs. That's how you can be a Kang if you get sick. All right.
If you
Anyway,
get sick, just stay in Florida.
Dude, masks are completely sold out here in the US too. Crazy.
What? Masks? Yeah, I mean, I get it, dude. There's gonna be a panic. Yeah, I mean, people freaking
Herd
out.
mentality.
Gonna be?
Yeah, dude. I mean, it's really like if you get it, you're not gonna die probably. Like,
No,
unless you
like-
just have a trash immune system, or you're very young or very old. Like that's it. You're gonna
No,
probably be
very
okay.
young. You're good to go. Under 14,
Oh, yeah?
you're pretty much immune. Yeah.
Oh wow. So okay, unless you're elderly, you're fine. You just don't go to
Elderly
the
or
people sick.
pre-existing like heart conditions or
Immune deficiencies, yeah.
immune deficiency. Yeah.
Okay.
Like any other illness, pretty much.
Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. Wow.
Like any flu every year.
Yep.
This is H1N1.
But we all gonna die!
But I think the concern is like if dozens or just hundreds cases pop up, do you think Trump would quarantine some cities? Like that would have a huge impact on economy.
Yeah, it's already bad enough. I mean, I don't know, dude. I have no idea how any of that's gonna go logistically. And
Yeah, like dozens and hundreds is
I
not
mean,
a lot.
most other countries are quarantining their cities now.
but yeah, just not the U.S.
They're no, we're locking down the borders.
Yeah.
That's basic infection control.
We're gonna be fine, people. Don't you worry.
They have
Stop the
military
panic.
hospitals that they're going to
Ridiculous.
clear out. Yeah, and you'll basically go there if you have signs or symptoms. And I guess a big issue was like all the Chinese security people were walking around pointing like the temperature radar things at people's heads, but they were industrial ones that are meant to measure like negative 30 degrees to 1,000 degrees. They weren't like meant for humans. So
Look what Mobile Journo said. Somewhat insider here. Tech companies will begin mandating work from home in coming weeks, bros. Well, that kind of makes sense, I guess.
that's why I long on Zoom connect.
Yeah.
Anything that people stay inside, yeah. Netflix, Roku, even though MK's gonna hate that one. Yeah,
Everyone's just going Netflix and chill to stay safe.
Yeah, dude. Or watch their favorite streamer,
we just need-
Kappa.
China needs to pump enough liquidity and
389 billion is just not enough, I guess. I mean, look at their stupid market.
Not when they're a socialist country, you can pump more.
Well, yeah, they did $1 trillion in 2015.
Yeah, let's go. I want to.
You got to triple those numbers. Those are rookie numbers.
Yeah,
I wanna
that's
see
what that
the
is.
records. New all-time high.
1
debt. Let's go.
trillion plus. Oh my god.
2 trillion dumped into the Shanghai.
The trillion is the new million, anyways.
Yeah, well, dude, if that happens, then Bitcoin's inverse head and shoulders will probably play out. I mean, just saying. Whatever. Some of that money will leak in, but maybe not. Maybe it just won't play out. Dude, overall bullish trend, right, since the beginning. I think that's the headline, is Bitcoin's potentially momentous sized bullish reversal pattern, right? I mean, that's a big deal right here at the weekly. That's all you gotta do is look at it. It's just like, what the F? This thing's huge. It looks like identical to the daily inverse head and shoulders that occurred back in June of 2018. You can't even see it on the weekly, but it was gorgeous on the daily, right? Y'all remember that? Now you just got this pattern that's just, I don't know, like 10 times the size of the small pattern. I mean, this is what dreams are made out of. You know, it could obviously go lower. You don't want it to go below 7,800 probably. But if you make a high or low shoulder, that's even better, I guess, right? But, you know, nothing's pointing to the upside yet on Bitcoin on the daily. You know, the 4 hour has just now in the past 15 minutes gone green on momentum, right? Like we were talking about in the day stream, we had not built it yet. We now finally have it. 8850, and that's like where it could go up to 9150, you know, testing it, whatever. But if it's truly just so weak, then it's just gonna not and dump again. So, yeah, man.
Dude, that's crazy.
I mean, it's not looking that bad though. I think a lot of it was just the context and perception seems worse because of what people were expecting from it, you know. But it's not that bad at all.
Dow
Dude,
futures
wait,
for
what's
Bitcoin.
interesting is 8 looked almost exactly like that on the weekly.
Yeah, what was the other one that looked like that? It might have been like Cisco. That's just devastated. Everything's devastated. Like most things are devastated now. Like patterns, it's gonna happen when the macro does what it does. So, 8, you say?
Yeah, when you get
Yeah, it kind of looks still good. It's still okay. It's daily. It's kind of blah. Yeah, weekly you can kind of see it still bouncing on that 200-week moving average. Man. Yeah, man, look at that. It's pretty real. When you get a neckline right here. Sorry, we've got a, hey, y'all voted. Y'all literally voted for YouTube over Twitch, so got to deal with the delay, the 20-second
I voted
freaking
for
delay.
Twitch, man.
I know,
I didn't
I
even
know,
think
man.
about
That's
that
what
when I
you even put
voted.
it up. Schools will cancel graduations due to diploma virus. What are you talking about, stay-at-home kings?
You're talking about the
That's all I got.
Olympics in this summer.
Oh, that's gonna be
Japan.
bad. It's gonna be real bad. I mean, how is that even gonna happen? You know, like,
Warmer weather.
Dude, what's going on with the
in-shape
Olympics,
athletes.
man? I was supposed to go to Japan, but now they're like
That's what we're talking about.
thinking about.
Dude, I'm supposed to go
yeah.
to freaking Thailand.
when?
I'd go to Japan, Thailand. Third world countries. I'd be a little
Yeah,
more
Japan will be
scared of.
sanitary, but I don't know if they're going to keep it going. But there's so much money on the line. It's like you'd think they'd do it even if they have to take some risks.
Yeah, I'd be going to Thailand in June, but I don't know. I think they only have 40 cases there.
You're probably safe.
I don't know. They said all the resorts and like all the tourism is just, it's a ghost town out there right now.
Well, the cheapest time to travel.
Yeah, except a lot of the places are closed down.
Yeah, dude, if I can get a hold of the company that is making the vaccine and just like make Logan and I corona-proof.
Yes.
Yo, hit
We'll
me
just
up.
go travel the world.
Man, we could travel the world like kings for a year for $10,000.
We'd be like United Airlines. I know you guys, but we'll give you $10 to fly us to Singapore. No one's flying out there.
You have this plane just
Right.
sitting here, not doing anything. You're paying for it to be docked. So why don't we just pay for gas? We call it even.
Yep. And then we go to the
Seems
hotel.
reasonable.
We're like, no one's here. $100 for the entire week. Rent it out.
I'm down, dude. How do we find these companies making the
It's,
antidote?
what is it? Gilead Sciences?
Well, we have to be the first test subjects, though. Does that add some extra risk?
No, I want like 10 or so. Like I'll find some Russian guys that were already sentenced to Siberia and be like, test it.
Yes.
They go first. They'll test it on federal prisoners. Like, I don't know if I want to be saying that on YouTube, but yeah, they test medications on federal prisoners with life sentences. They get like
Dang.
they get like $4. But when your monthly
that'll
salary is like,
Get you like 20 packs of ramen, dude.
yeah, they can get a lot of stamps for $4. That's an entire book of stamps.
Stamp collection. I used to do that when I was a kid. Like really young. Had a stamp collection.
Is that a joint?
What'd you
Kavila,
do?
the biggest gainer of the
Got it
day.
somewhere.
Alpha
TTS.
Pro Tech, APT.
Sure, APT. Yeah, I think HG's obsessed with it. Oh my god, dude, it's up 73% today. It was up 100% yesterday or something. Yeah, it's like nuts, dude. Cyan Wolf, dude, insane. There's not much to do. You can't chart it. There's like literally nothing I can do, man. Alright, it was
Alpha
always.
Protect. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's like, I don't know, vaccine company or something, dude. Gosh dang it, dude. Look, $3 minimum. I don't know. Like, Super Chat is just, I don't know. Look where you are. Look what you did. From your high point of October 2014 to the low point, you've hit a 2618 fib extension, and you couldn't break it, right? You just spinning topped today. Wow, could go either way. You could get devastated, or it could just pump more. RSI's at 91. Get out of here, dude. Not much you can really.
This back in 2014 in 3 days ran up.
Nothing like now though. It ran up and crashed, but like
100%.
you just look at comparative, it's double, triple.
Sitting at $6. No, is that $5? It's sitting at.
It got 10 to 53 in October 2014, and it, you know, this run it got up to 2750, right? So
That's an intense string of candles.
This is like a
It looks
bad
unsavory.
it's terrible until now. Like Godstock, wow, beautiful. In case you don't know wheel spins, but I don't think anyone cares. That's ever since this market changed, it's like no partying. It's all business. Like, and I get it. I've been taking advantage of the business side of things. Right, just working out. That's all you can do, really. Right, when you just go live and you stream and you look at the assets and then you're done. Right, there's no like extended coverage. Meh. You know, Bitcoin hasn't really been doing anything. Like, you know, the selling has been there, but it's really not been as bad as the stock market at all. I don't think they're correlated right now. Like the selling we're getting, dude, 50% retrace. 50% retrace.
If we go back
Yeah, and it was marching up that channel for so long. It's like you have to break out of that.
And once the RSI trend line was broken, it was done. Like once that broke, you could have sold there and been, it was perfect, right? Because it went up one more time, then dumped, it went up. They were just lower highs. Just classic distribution. And then the big sell. You could almost have called it 3 falling peaks. It's very close to. You could have definitely gotten away with calling it that. 2 valleys, 3 peaks. Yeah. So anyway, I don't know, someone just
within
asked.
a month, we've had big moves in crypto and the stock market. We should go back and look at it. So we'll see. December 2017, early February 2018. Also when Ripple died. I think Ripple is the key. Watching
Is
Ripple's
it?
price action. Yeah.
Really? Ripple's the key to the
When
crypto market?
Ripple died, was Ripple ever alive?
Yeah, it was at $3, and then the stock market dumped, and Ripple went right with it because Ripple is used by all the big banks.
No good. All of them,
good
all
one,
the
Jeff.
big
Good
banks.
one.
You mean
Good
like
one.
2 or 1? Then
GP, APA. Yeah, like.
yeah.
But
dude, you just don't get it, man. You don't get it.
Of Las Vegas, he's like.
How do XRP
Place.
Moonboy channels even exist anymore? Like how can you even like live with yourself? I don't even know. It's like, how can you care about something like that? News that came out yesterday from Bloomberg is so damning.
The cognitive
Okay,
biases
you
are
don't
just
get
too
it.
reinforced.
You don't get it, man. It moved up a cent today, and it's a much lower.
So
Much lower. What?
Is it at
Wednesday's
31
ruling.
and a half cents? Did it hit 31 and a half cents?
It hit
did.
It's only down
34.5.
10 cents, man. Come on.
Brow theory.
Now theory still lives.
Yeah.
Took a
It was
while.
a fluke when it got out of there. Yeah.
Yeah. It has a bottom range of 21 and a half cents and then 31 and a half cents. So whichever side you're closer to, you're going that way. So now you're probably going back to 21 and a half cents.
Yeah. I don't know, dude. It's terrible. It's like just vomit on the chart. Vomit in the chart. I don't know. Inverse head and shoulders on XRP? Sure, maybe. Yeah, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Sure, dude. But it's not going to be because if it did play out, it's not going to be because XRP is worth a crap or is like valuable as an asset. Nope. It's because Bitcoin. Like, it won't play out if Bitcoin fails and dumps more. And it might
Or
work
if
out.
the SEC's coming down on them, and then, you know, all
Yeah.
the people with huge bags are trying to get rid of their stock, you know, create a little pump
Did you
up
get
to
that notice
come
from
out ahead.
Coinbase about like a week-old article about the SEC investigating everything? I'm like, why didn't I see this earlier? Yeah.
It's about time. Why didn't this come
They're coming
2 years
down on
ago?
stuff.
MoneyGram will boost XRP in 5 years. MoneyGram's not using XRP. It's like known now. They pumped hard as F when that rumor came out, like when that news came out or whatever, where it was confirmed that MoneyGram doesn't use XRP. They went with someone else. They pumped. So nothing. You can't say anything about MoneyGram and XRP anymore. It doesn't. It's not real. It's like it's a thing that doesn't exist anymore. How are you talking about MoneyGram, dude?
It was kind of never real, though.
Yeah, of course,
XRP.
right? But like, how could people in chat say stuff about that? It's done. It's over. It's like, oh yeah, Walton Coin and BMW, man. It's a partnership. No, it's not.
Oh wait, Walton Coin.
Yeah, I guess
wasn't
someone's
that the
tipping
one,
me a $2 super chat, you know, so it's like $1. Let's go to it. Here you go. Yeah, it's pumped to the upside. I can't really do anything now, dude. Like, what do you want me to do? Fibonacci from the stupid high to the stupid low. 78% retrace. Okay, great areas for a reversal. Yep. Yeah, RSR to USD. Reserve rights to Tether. Gotcha. Huge pump. Great. Great. Once it break this resistance.
Have a better chance with Virgin Galactic than that crap.
Dude, that's crazy. 40 something dollars or something to like 19 bucks or something today. Virgin Galactic got destroyed. Like everything else though. Yeah, crypto land it's like a mental illness. It's a disease. Like you can't like it's like complete demoralization. Kind of like communism, or what the Marxists try to do, or what they're doing to our universities, education systems in the West. Oh, coronavirus. What's up, dude? Thanks for the 1888.
Chuck.
Thanks to Pity contribution. Really appreciate it, dude. It's like, might as well just not spin at all. Because, yeah, you know, the way it is now.
How is my butt chart looking, bitch? By the way, spin that wheel, shake it up.
What's up, Miss Shaver? Thanks for the 10, dude. Let me get the wheel out.
Let's see. So it came out February 16th.
Why is the 1888 variation of Litecoin logo? What's going on?
Because it's just between $15 and $21. That's the Litecoin. I can't like. I would have to create a direct variation of anything. 18, right? What's up, Jacob Ray? That's 3 spins. Jesus.
Spin it, baby.
All right, let's see.
Come on, chat. Let's get these spins going.
1 spin, dude. Again, like it's not even like you have to. All right, spinner drinks. So the first one who took was you, Logan. You have to drink.
All right.
What the heck?
Cheers.
Man?
Let's do
What
this.
Streamlabs doing?
So it's the U.S. Treasury Department Financial Crimes Enforcement. What?
Dude.
Chug? Yes.
No. Sorry, I just got a notification. No, listen.
Stop trying to pump fake.
Ruggs from Alabama and his combine, the NFL, he posted a 4.2740, the tied for the 4th fastest 40 in history, or the combine since 2006. Well, I mean, there's 4 people. All right, there's probably like 6 people.
2006.
Were there people faster before 2006? That doesn't seem right, because I remember like Dimps and Rainey.
I had the record pre-2006, 02.
So you were fast into 4.27?
3.58. Yeah.
All right, dude. No problem. Social.
Sure, man.
All right, I own a social. Everyone drinks.
Running back.
This is the last one. Of course, it lands on Chug. Of course, 3rd one. Yep. There you go. This is stupid, man.
Yes.
All right. Get this stupid beer.
So Mnuchin is having the Treasury Department's FinCEN Department, Financial Crimes Enforcement Network. Doesn't sound as bad as the Australian version of it. It's like financial crimes, anti-terrorism organization, child molestation,
Always spinning.
coronavirus.
0.00282486 BTC.
It's like, holy crap.
Yeah, and the moon never sent.
Stay Home Kings, he was off by 1 cent again, 25.01. So that variation, he couldn't double whammy me. But
oh, come on, Dad.
It can't help it. It's the Coinbase fees that do it. It's tough. It's a variable of crypto tips. All right, another social. So sip a social, 2 socials, and then 1 chug, of course. All right. Thank you, Stay Home Kings, man. Seriously. 1 social.
Minneapolis Fed president called, literally people have been fleeced for tens of billions of dollars, and finally the SEC getting involved in this crackdown, calling thousands of these garbage coins.
Garbage coins?
Yeah.
You can't just call them S coins?
That's the head of the Minneapolis Fed. No, they're called G coins now to me.
He's not with it. No way. Never. Ever.
This man needs to be educated.
Never, dude. Not gonna happen. Oh, interesting day tomorrow. Yeah, dude. Could be a pump, could be a dump. Who knows? Mysteries abound. RSR Connect 786 deep retrace. Okay. Whatever, man. What's your analysis? How's Asia trading?
Yeah.
I don't know. How are they trading? And everything up now?
I don't need to look at China stocks.
Is that a joint?
They don't.
Do,
I was looking at
do,
them before.
do,
They'd be all
do,
green.
do,
We'd
do,
get wrecked.
do, 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 do,
Do,
do,
do, do,
do, do,
Timbo,
do,
do.
do, 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 tequila Teambo.
Tequila Teambo. Thank you, Teambo, for the 420 connect. Much love. Wow. Somehow I have to chug. I can't even believe this. How? You know, this 30-minute stream.
Yes.
It's not rigged. Need to chug now. Cheers, Danny, coming in from Germany. I'll be in Germany, Danny. Most likely in late September, early October. I don't know, I'm thinking about maybe staying for like 2-3 weeks or something.
Spin it up. Let's go. P.S. I think we
you.
need to change that to Patreon's chug. Eh?
Patreon's chug? Wait, we have a Patreon's chug, Cat. I thank you for the 10, man. And the spin. We have a patron's drink, but patron's chug? The only time we can do patron's chug is when Drink Troll shows up and we can, like, you know, blanket spread out the damage that he does with the chugs. It doesn't normally land like 6 chugs. Oh, thank God, dude. I almost landed on chug again. Alright, gulp. Let's go, dude.
Oh.
That's true. 420 is a whole month this year. Interesting.
Is that a joint?
Hey Mitch, what's up? Not a believer in XRP.
What's up, Andres?
You better believe
What are they
XRP will
gonna
make
do
money in a crazy bull market if it occurs.
Oh, yeah.
Crazy bull markets like 2017 do not care about fundamentals. And it's the number 3 coin, like it or not. Everyone has dreams of becoming rich.
Oh, they probably smoked a ton of marijuana.
Yeah.
It was just about, I think that was at the beginning of
We'll see, Andreas.
Prohibition.
We will see.
I was gonna say, around Prohibition, I remember reading they did.
I guess I need to check this. Oh man, I'm like full. This is gonna be a position chug, okay? Not a day chug, day trading chug.
You have like water beer, right? You're not chugging that snake handler?
No, I have water beer. No, that snake handler was at the pub or whatever. Just getting my food.
Come on, crude.
I hate XRP. I love XRP. Oh my god. What's up, Bankhead? Thanks for the 618, Kangs. Drinking it.
Yo, Bankhead, what's good, brother?
Bankhead, Buckhead. Sorry, it's cool when that thing pops up because my eyes
Dude,
are like.
he's from Alabama like you as well, bro.
Bankhead? Is there Bankhead, Alabama?
Sure
Probably.
is, dude.
But Bankhead?
No.
You don't want to go to Bankhead in
I think
Atlanta,
that's the
dude.
first one. No, he's from Alabama, dude.
Alabama, man. What are the lyrics to that? Can someone sing it for me?
Is he from Greenbow?
No way he's from Greenbow. It's too big of a state. No, seriously, someone, somebody, no, it's Greenville in real life, but probably not.
I was like, I just found it like dumb thing.
Dude, I got on Bumble for like literally 24 hours. And then when I matched with all these girls, not from Birmingham, from like all these Greenbows, and like they all had like kids, I'm like, and insta delete. I deleted it. It's like over. I was like, wow, impulse. It was like 6 months I haven't been on it. I got on it 24 hours and then quit. I'm just like, I'm done. Nope. I'll just dial in. I don't care. I'm not doing this.
Didn't you have a match like all she was looking for was someone to take care of her financially, provide a roof over her head for her and her kid, and give
That's
her
like
an allowance?
Aren't they all like that though?
She had like 3 or 4 kids.
She was joking about having 5 kids, thinking that's funny, but that was her way of telling me that she had kids, was by saying that she had 5, and I'm like, what? And then she's like, no, I'm just kidding. I only have like 1 or 2.
I heard if you chug 4 cups.
Yeah, trying to make it like.
She has 1 or 2.
Yeah, I can't remember.
You think you know?
Well, I unfortunately don't store that kind of knowledge in my mind because it just takes up space, so I don't remember. It's 1 or 2 kids.
You gotta.
But I did get 2. I got 2 matches that had children, and it's just like, what the F? What's up, Hot Carl? What?
Can I get your thoughts on Silver Brew?
Like the
Still in deep
Silver?
retrace areas.
HIV.
Bearish and
Just
golfing
kidding,
on the
it's just
weekly,
MRSA.
but looks like inverse head and
That
shoulders
doesn't
to
make
me.
it better.
Thanks,
Kind of
dude.
double topped Hot Carl. Yeah, thank you for the 1618. Who is Hot Carl? Is that person in here right now?
Carl.
Is that a pity
Carl
contribution?
is MK's, Carl's MK.
Oh, was that Carl? That's Hot Carl?
Dude, Carl with a C. Carl with a C, dude.
Carl with a
Remember?
C. Oh my
Vegas.
god, it is
Carl
Carl
with
with
a
a C. Dude, what's up, Carl, man? If it's you, dude, good to see you, bro.
Carl,
Hey,
we
next
love you,
meetup
man. We
we do,
gotta
you're
go
coming.
back
You
again.
have to come, dude. All right, we can pull up Silver Connect. I haven't
Okay,
checked
we'll
this.
kidnap you.
Yes, we will. We won't need to. His wife's too lovely. And she'd be cool with it, so no need. Oh, destroyed, man. Just devastated. I don't know, in a way, double topped. Hold on, let's go to the... We'll look at it, then I'll chug.
Dude, Mitch, have you looked at Urban Dictionary to see what Hot Carl means?
Oh god, no. Is this something disgusting?
Don't do it.
I don't want to. I'm
Emily
not...
just came in and goes, does Mitch know what Hot Carl means?
Jesus.
Even my
No,
wife
but it
knows
is...
what it means.
Don't do it. Every Carl will be Carl with a C.
But look, it literally is Carl with a C. Sup, dog? I'm Hot Carl. Like, look in the chat.
It's a joke. Yeah.
Oh,
Look what
no.
Hot Carl is. It's like a Cleveland steamer.
Oh, no.
Oh,
worse.
why? Well, thanks.
I don't know.
It's
Thanks.
better we keep our
why do you
frame
know what
of
Hot
Carl.
Emily, how do you even know this? Like, what is going on over there?
Well, she,
Oh, no, is that
she
from
does
memory?
reality TV for
She
I
learned
know
this
it
in
is.
Cali, not in Texas. Okay, I guarantee it. That's all I'm
No,
gonna
she
say.
learned from doing reality TV. Those girls have had Hot Carls.
Have they?
Oh, God.
Jesus.
I'm assuming. Have you watched like any Real Housewives of Anywhere?
No, unfortunately, or
Yeah.
maybe fortunately.
They
I
don't
know.
find quality people for those television shows.
No,
We'll just
they
leave it.
don't. Yeah.
So on Silver, like
And it's a lot worse behind the scenes.
Silver had like an impulse, consolidated, and then it broke out, and then it ran up and just hit this 1870 area again, which is overhead resistance, and you would have had just another one around 18. It's really $19. And you know, we up thrusted through that initially, and we could never stay above it. And you know, look, Silver, the name of the game, just higher lows now. Like, just stay inside this channel. I guess I don't know. We could probably. I know I've tried like making this channel better, but it's tough.
Shortening of the thrust, Mitch.
Like the high and then the slightly higher
Silver's
high
kind of like
with
the
bearish
XRP
divergence.
of precious metals, though. Like, it's
Not
there's such
that-
a cult surrounding silver.
Pull up XAG USD and have a little.
Gander at
it's
the
a little
oscillator.
off.
It does have bearish divergence. What about the weekly?
Little cipher connect.
It'd be, if you look at the weekly, it's more like a Gartley connect.
I have a cipher connect
XA.
from.
Oh no,
September
Gartley.
9th.
Dude, look at this.
Where do you have a Gartley?
You'll see.
Look here, listen.
Exactly. Look here, listen, wait connect, and you'll see it on the weekly. That could be perfect.
Mitch, you've
It
been
would make a
slipping
higher
on your
low.
sound effects, dude. You used to always have a sound effect.
I always have sound effects, but y'all can't hear them.
What's happening, dude?
I don't know, because I don't know. This is like, you know, I stream 7 days a week for the most part.
Still waiting for you to draw.
Yeah, nah.
Dude, I have a completed cipher. Get out of here with your almost there, Gartley.
Well, not almost. It's like, or 15 something, 1540 would be good. But you just kind of double topped, right? You're bearishly
I don't know,
engulfing
I'm
on the
just
weekly,
watching you drive.
nasty, high volume.
So start an X at September 4th, 2019. On the
September
daily.
4.
Come on, Jeff. Picks or it did not happen.
September 4. Oh, X. A. What? B, C. Wait, what? How can we make X the top?
What?
How can we make X the top? 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 How can we make X I'm looking at it like X is December 6th of 2019. X, A, B, C, D. It doesn't show up on the daily, but it does on the weekly. But like again, the weekly showed a huge bearish engulfing candle, right? Like a huge rejection for the second time, third time, fourth time. It's a big red candle there, and if it doesn't hold above 1730, then I mean, why would this? That seems reasonable to me for silver to eventually see 1550 again. It'd make an eventual higher low than the May of 2019 low, and then it could be an entry for a long. Possible. I mean, that's a pretty clear double top of some sort. Lots of rejection. I don't know. Again, like it's probably going to follow gold, right? In the end. Thanks for helping me stall all this time. Y'all already forgot that I have to chug, man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Thanks for reminding us.
Emily. Sorry, just kidding.
Probably turn it off. She's got people over in there talking about hot Carls and shit.
Yeah, but y'all are the ones that know what hot Carls are.
She brought it up though. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't even know what it was.
We thought Carl was MK's. We did not have that perspective. We have clean minds.
Yeah, mine's in the gutter over there. So anyway, I don't know, man. I don't know. It's kind of rejecting higher prices for now, but if it, can hold above 1730, then maybe you're okay. Where's it at?
Patreon chat. I just posted it.
Oh yeah. Well, it's kind of over now, right? It's kind of like completing or completed. So it could keep selling. Yeah, I mean, here, I'll pull it up for the world to see. The eyes of the nation are upon us. Or something.
Let's look at Clorox. Purchase the drink 4 cups within the first 12 hours after catching them, you'll be cured.
It's global.
People want to see Clorox. Hold on. I for the longest time thought Clorox was owned by Procter & Gamble, but it's not.
I did too.
Yeah, it's weird. Weird.
Who's it owned by?
It's just itself.
Clorox.
It's Clorox Connect.
They own themselves.
Yeah, they do. Jesus, dude, this thing's stupid. Let's go log scale. Oh, log scale's pretty. Do you want to see log scale? Pull it up real quick.
Hot Carls and logs. They're just.
1974 was at 70 cents. Now it's at 168.70. My God. Let's try to plot a channel here. Thanks for helping me not. Dang, man. We should probably anchor on the top. This is how you would look at, I don't know, maybe going on the top like that is a way. 1 and 2 on the bottom, and then just 1 on the top, maybe. A dump. That just means upside potential. Doesn't really help though, right? I don't like, you do these channels, like it's not helpful. So let's try to anchor. Let's try to create a channel from 2009, right? Onward. So we would go like 1 and 2 on the top, like that. So you go on the bottom, it's like it broke out. That doesn't really help. Jeez, man. I don't know. It's in an uptrend. That's, and as of today, it's like breaking out. Yeah, for the first time, it like broke its previous all-time high from November 2018. Had a huge pullback there. Look, dude, it got as high as 174.15 before pulling back. So maybe we get follow through. It's not overbought yet, really. Normally, anytime it gets any overbought, it just sells off. But man, talk about range-bound asset breaking out. We'll see. There's no buyer exhaustion, high volume on the breakout. We can go fib extensions for targets if it's to continue its rise to the upside. Oh my God, it almost hit a 1272 at 175. So that's kind of the target, 175, 178.95, and then 184.72. There's your fib extensions up there.
Do you know who owns Clorox?
Nice range breakout.
He just said they own themselves, bro.
It's Dick Cheney.
Oh my God.
Dick Cheney Connect.
Now, dude, we gotta save our theories for the after stream, after party.
Dick Cheney's causing all this.
Where's the code?
I'm just chug, dude. This isn't a joke, man.
Yeah, MK was offended by our
He refuses to
Carl
believe
affiliations.
that coronavirus is not a hoax.
No, he's offended to Hot Carl. He's like, don't you talk about Carl that way, man. It's like, dude, I didn't even know this existed till earlier. Okay.
Yeah, you dirty minds. Every Carl with a C in my mind was like pointing back to Carl in Vegas with MK.
Dude,
I
my
didn't even
stomach's
know the
not ready.
degeneracy that was happening.
Mute him on mic.
Yeah, same.
Same connect.
It's not my project again. Well, until 1969.
What, Clorox?
That's someone said, I think.
Wow.
Just,
It's nuts.
Dick Cheney, funny. I live near him.
MK is not offended, by the way.
See him in town every now and then. Isn't he dead? If you're seeing Dick Cheney,
I'm gonna check my notes. Doesn't look like it.
A power
not
like that can never die, dude.
I didn't think he'd be offended because
Oh my god, man. Bitcoin's not mooning, man. XRP's screwed. Stock market's down, but the Shanghai Composite's somehow normal. Somehow crashed, but didn't crash. What we call it? 14 Chinese soldiers or something on the scamp.
white soldiers.
Is that a new candle formation?
Yeah, the scamp. Yeah.
More powerful than 3 white soldiers.
Made by Chinese Thomas Bulkowski.
They have two of them that they have to keep pumped up. The Shenzhen and the Shanghai. They have two S&P.
Why don't we have two, man? Oh wait, we do.
We have an S&P
I know.
500.
I'm just kidding. Dude, we got the Russell. We got the friggin' yeah, Nasdaq.
The Nasdaq was
Holding in there. It was holding.
It's holding the best of them.
Wait, you should ask Emily her thoughts on me not having a beard versus me having a beard.
Come on, she's the one that brought Carl to the table.
Yeah, exactly.
So everything right now.
So she owes us input. Ow!
Give me a sec.
I didn't feel good. I can't see right now, man. Let's do some trivia. Play trivia. Dude, we used to do Jeopardy, man, but it was so much work. And it was like,
destroyed everyone.
Yeah, he did. Ooh, I like this song. So good.
What is it, man? We can't hear it.
It's called Bipolar by Marco Grande.
Marco Grande.
Marco Grande, man. That's good.
Julie, how'd the
Wrecked.
Again, man. What are you saying today, man?
I think we're the leaders.
Julia, get wrecked. Destroyed.
I don't
In a
think
positive way.
But we do have Gap Connect come.
Yeah, I'm just short like France, Germany.
Take a look at Coles. Mitch, pull up the Coles.
Oh, which one is that? KSS?
COL.
Oh, the other Coles. There's a Coles in America too, I think. Or maybe it's the same one. I don't even know.
It's hard to phonetically
God!
the Australian accent.
Look at it, dude. Oh my Jesus. Absolutely devastated. February 2019 to the high. Oh, look at the beautiful weekly.
Daily bearish divergence.
Dude, look at that weekly shooting star. Evening star, shooting star connect. So gorgeous.
The open up, trading down below that week.
And look here, listen, on the weekly bearish divergence. You know, it's hindsight, but it's good. It's like good to keep your eye on that. So for education, for someone that's like trying to get the hang of it, it's like, oh man, look, dude, there wasn't bidding price action reversal from this side to this side on the weekly with, then you coincide that with the evening star, shooting star, right?
Weekly daily bearish divergence, 4 hour.
Mike Lamb, you missed the world, dude. Like Crypto Jeopardy, we did that. It was fun, but meh. It was like it's
Dude,
so
you
much
put
work.
So much
Yeah,
work
so
into that,
much, and
then
it's like, eh.
people would come in to the voice part, and like their mics would be messed up, or
No, people would not show up. That was what pissed me off more than anything. I'm
Logistically,
like,
it was-
I do all this work, and then like we have this huge community, and no one puts in the effort to like show up to participate. And it's like, why am I doing this? Like, if I try and put it all out on the field, and then no one, like only a couple people show up, and it's like the viewership was low too for it, and it's just like, what's the point, dude? Why put in the effort if people don't appreciate what it is and what I do? So it's like, I'll just do the random normal streams, you know, cover the coins and all that. And it's like, Star Wars streams started becoming a new thing in lieu of Jeopardy. It's just so much work, you know, to create every question, every answer, and then the visuals behind it to make it educational for others. That's so much work, and there was just like this lack
you
of.
gotta find some balance for yourself, man. Like with Jeopardy and what went into it,
There was not enough that
and the streams. There's no room for anything else in life.
Yeah. Modelo virus, thanks to the $2.63. Thank you, dude.
Modelo virus.
Yeah, dude. Sorry, $3 minimum TTS.
Short Constellation brands just because they import Corona and they have CGC.
Who owns what
Pot
tell me about
stock.
CGC? Oh, pot.
Constellation Brands has a big ownership stake in it.
Oh, interesting.
And one of the other ones has a big ownership stake from Philip Morris through Altria.
Dude, look, man, it's XRP on the weekly, inverse head and shoulders, dude. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
We're gonna do things.
XRP is going to be pumped. All these banks that have to do fast transactions as the market's dumping. It's time for XRP to show what it was built for.
Yeah, huge red candle on the weekly. Perfect.
Yeah.
Fast breaks
Fast
transactions.
non-KYC transactions.
It was at 28 cents, 28.6 cents at the beginning of the week, and now it's at 24 cents. That's terrible.
Well, it's pretty good as a stable coin, I guess.
Maybe since August of 2019, but before that, it was, I don't know. I mean, like, you know, it was definitely the same price December 2018 all the way to May 2019, and then it pumped, and then it dumped, and now it's lower. Oh, it's awful, dude. It's just terrible. I don't even want to look at it.
Where is my 589? Whee!
Never, dude. Never, ever gonna happen.
0.589.
Yeah, it's coming, dude. Yeah, 5.89 cents. Well, good attempt, everyone, on getting me drunk, but y'all been devastated. Okay. Did we ever look at Clorox? We sure did, Conrad. We did.
There's not a good chart to look at right now.
Except
People are like, what's
Palladium or whatever. That's a good one.
Yeah.
No
Shit.
opportunity, but just talking about random. Good.
I bought a little bit of Disney. We went down to that pre-Disney Plus IPO announcement. It's like, holy crap.
Dude,
That was
everything's
more of
like that.
a way to get out of having to pay capital gains taxes. To basically use those shares to cover my put. So,
Does anyone know the last time I had a hat vote? We actually had a legitimate hat vote. Like what stream? Or how many streams ago it was?
I don't know, man. Maybe.
It's been like 3 weeks plus now, I think. It's like a drought. It's like the.
Nah, 2 weeks. 2 weeks. I'd say 2 weeks.
yeah, the double.
I don't know.
The 2 jars cleared, and then the.
There was that one stream. I think that was like an 11-hour stream.
Hat vote that was at like 10 a.m. in the morning.
Yeah, that was 3 weeks ago, maybe. Now.
Is that the Amazon Pump Connect? What was going on?
It was everything. It was Bitcoin was pumping.
Everything.
Yeah, it was February 11th.
Like Tesla was going nuts.
Everything was. The S&P 500, everything, Bitcoin, gold, all pumping at the same time.
Was adding to his ship.
Valentine's Day, Elliot says last time we had a hat vote.
Come on,
Yeah, we did, I think.
hole.
There is no habit.
What's
There
up,
won't be a
Brad?
habit, Timbo. There won't be one. So sorry.
Not much, man. Hanging out. What's up with you?
How was that Thai food you had? That was good.
Yeah,
Dude, spicy as hell.
Good time.
Really
It's
good.
not entertaining for the.
We can go there when you guys come out.
We shall do that.
Shanghai Composites down 3.37%. Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Sorry, it's cool when that thing pops. Wait, hold on. Timbo has a video of him taking a shot or something. Look, post it. I can hear myself talking to that. Taking a shot. Tequila. Oh. Is it cooking or something? Cool. Thanks for sharing, Timbo, man.
Anything up on the futures? South Korea's getting crushed.
Oh yeah? I'm so scared.
Yeah. The
Futures are just sitting at 29.36. So
Shenzhen.
bad. It's still bad.
Yeah, but
Sorry,
they're
talking
up
about
at this
S&P.
time. Every day at this time they've been pumping. I'd rather them dump.
For the 327 people here that weren't here during the Patreon pregame, there's like a stat. Now, never in the history of the S&P CME futures has there been a gap that hasn't filled, and there's seldom ever been a gap. But there is a gap that has occurred on this one of the largest red candles that exists. There's a gap, 33.41. It happened, right? If you look in history, where are the gaps? Where are they, man?
They're pre. When does
2000, 2007.
You
What?
have to go to like stockcharts.com in the 80s. There was.
Yeah, probably. Oh, dude, I'm sure with that 1987 20% drop in a week or whatever.
Yeah, no one would basically. There was no buyers. So
Yeah,
calls were
yeah,
coming
and it was
trying
like
to sell.
inefficient. They were still doing paper and stuff, right? Computers were just starting to come around. Only rich people could do that, and then that actually exacerbated the problem because like rich people that had computers were like selling, and it's like, what the is going on?
Yeah.
So yeah, dude, we're nearing the lowest low of the sell-off on the daily or on the weekly. Hell, look at this, how awful the futures are, man. Like, look where you're below the May of 2019 all-time highs. You're below that. You're below now September 2018 highs. So it seems like the next target, I mean, I know like there's a little chop here, August 2019. You think the next target on the S&P futures is going to be like 2875. And that's not good, man. And so from that low point to that high point, you've just only exceeded the 386. The 382. The 50% retrace is kind of confluent with that January 2018 previous all-time high. So that's an area. But dude, I'll tell you this: the S&P 500 futures, you are now at 19 on the RSI. We've only seen that a handful of times. December 2018. Go back to August 2015, and then after that, August 2011.
If you smell
Is that a joint?
what Mitri TA is cooking.
Go on the monthly. Where's your
Smell lol.
I have the exponential, but
What are we talking about? Thank you, Timbo, for the 420 connect.
monthly 21 exponential on futures. We're below it on SPY, but on futures is 2902.58.
Oh, dude, you want to see gnarly? Yeah, the monthly is just gross. Yeah, and I'm not using the moving average or anything. It's just like, look where we are. You know, you're just, the monthly is closing in 2 days. 2 days, and if this keeps selling tomorrow, you close below that. I mean, again, yeah, next target
It's the
28.
Dow that's below it.
Yeah, Dow is worse than the S&P for sure.
Yeah, well, the Dow has, I mean, its biggest weighted stock has been the POS all year. So, but you have rebalancing tomorrow.
Oh, time to pump, dude. Time to pump.
Yeah, the S stocks could pump.
They very well could, and it'd be perfect timing because no one expects a Friday pump, dude. Everyone's scared, so yeah. All right, well, you get a pump, but then like, what's gonna happen? Like, you'll rally, and then eventually you'll get to a common retrace area from that low, and you'll make a like a 786 if you're lucky. And if we top out at a 78% retrace or something on a rally, I'm done, right? Like that's, you know what I'm saying? Like a lower high after a huge volume vulnerability dump like that could be ushering in a recession. Like the move down like that is so much technical damage. I don't know what to tell you, man, right? We're gonna get an attempted rally. Our rally will be real, but will it be a V shape? Probably not a U shape. There's no way it's gonna be a U shape recovery on this market after all that selling like that. Yeah, Bitcoin got a U shape recovery back in 2018. What?
A J shape?
No, there are U shape. You should Google it. There are U shape recoveries and V shape recoveries. They're both good. But China, man, I'm a good. Bruh. 2501. You just can't figure out how to make it 25 on the dot, can you, with the Coinbase fees?
China
Get
took
wrecked.
$25.01, 2 cloves minced garlic, 2 chopped
Minced garlic?
carrots,
Huh?
1 celery stalk chopped, 1 cup of mushrooms,
Hold on.
1 tablespoon of ginger, 2 bats, 4 cups of water, salt and pepper to taste,
Oh.
0.00282449
Okay.
BTC.
Stir-fried
So-
Corona Connect.
What is that, China? Do we put why did you not talk about putting bats in this? So bat is the
Forgot
secret
that.
ingredient.
I thought it was meant to be snake.
Sounds like an omelet.
Bat stew. I don't think anyone knows. It's bats, or it's probably the bat, Julia. I mean, snake. I don't know. Like we know there's like empirical evidence. There's actual literal evidence of bats giving insane viruses that are so bad, like Ebola, Marburg, like those types of crazy viruses came from cave chickens, right? So, and I don't know. I'm just going with bats. That's my thing. Because snakes, what snake has given big time crazy flus, right? I think it's the mammalia, right? The mammal to mammal thing. I don't know about snakes. Like, there's no confirmation. I don't think anyone cares, really, right? But now, so China, what they do? They're now banned their Chinese people from eating anything that is game. Like anything that's not domesticated, you cannot eat it now, according to their government.
Only have Chinese food.
Yeah, well, with their nasty sewage.
What do they call them? Like a wet market or something?
The wet market, wet brain for eating that. But
3s for Logan the Kings, Brad the
3s for the
Fisherman,
Logans.
and Julia the Kulu. Come on, Chad, hype it up. Who's with me?
What's so funny? What happened? Did I say something? Probably not. I had to spin for China. I thought China had a Y, not an I. China. Hey, Trump was right though. Something's going on. It was going on, and it's here now, right? I mean,
It was actually kind of smart to kind of break away from China a little.
dude, it's like he didn't mean to, but China's devastated. Like the trade
it's
deal,
like
he
it worked
won,
out
but
in a
like,
way.
it was like the universe just said, yeah, time to really destroy China. Okay, because they're screwed now,
It
dude.
never started with bats or animals. That was all a cover story.
Was it? Is that Crypto Cocktail Chris I heard? Maybe, maybe not. I don't know.
Basically,
It was him.
In Wuhan, there is a center for like biological diseases
I want to get
where
the
they're
tinfoil hat on.
stating that it actually might be deadly.
I have to get a beer. So, so it's not.
Possibly.
So it wasn't the bat. It was something else.
Speaking of that, it hit a 618 on close.
I thought bat went down to a 786. Dude, 21 cents. Dude, it has to be deeper than a 618, right?
Well, no, it.
Oh, it's
no, I
22
mean,
cents.
it closed at a 618.
From the low of the double bottom to the high. Is that how you're fitting?
Yeah, from around there. Yeah.
It has to be, yeah. The low to the high.
What was
618. I
the
thought it was.
story?
Yeah, Crypto Cocktail Chris. Say it again. I have to get this beer.
Biological weapon place that.
There are a lot of people saying that. Hold on. They're saying that that's like they were doing it. Bill Gates Foundation, something weird, something. I don't know all the facts. I'm ignorant. Hold on.
Bill Gates Foundation. So many more people will have to work from home on their computers, and will have to use Microsoft Office and Windows, and I will become more rich. It's like a fight. He needs to get ahead of Bezos. He's like, what do I do to get me richer than Bezos? Because anything that I do, I'm going to cut off his supply line. They're going to have to use my product because they're not going to go into work. I think Monday, most Chinese factories are back open. We're working.
Time to pump it. Time to pump it,
It's
dude.
probably gonna be the start of the rally, yeah.
Oh yeah, dude. You know it. Everyone's short now. Everyone's just scared. Everyone's selling. And it's just like, no, I'm incurring losses on my, retirement. Now my other positions are just done. I was majority cash. Now I'm really majority cash. Well, I've been that way, since all this S happened. So
that first bad dump on January 31st when
imagine
that I missed out on the run.
Imagine the stream. You watch the stream every day, and it's like, well, Thursday, Friday were real bad. There's a real good chance Monday's gonna be terrible. Those are verbatim words, and it's like, nah, screw Mitch, not gonna. Whatever he's saying, and it's like, look how bad it's gotten, since Monday.
First
dude.
gap down
oh my God.
Futures, in TradingView futures history.
Yeah, Bloody Monday. Bloody Monday.
There on CME. It's not like a bad feed.
Social.
Yeah, I'm watching it hover over that 1618. It was telling all that divergence.
Well, and
oh yeah. It broke. It's in long scale, it never got to it. It was close. But yeah. On linear, it was just it broke it. It hit it, right? And remember, I tweeted about it. And it's impending price action reversal, the 1618, it dumped. And then one more stupid rally. One more. And it's I don't even know now. But then the RSI was showing it on the daily at the end. And then you had those really bad days, Thursday, Friday. I'm like, okay, dude, this is exactly how 87 happened.
Hey bro, I want to do a social with all of the chat, is that cool?
Indigo Washington wants to do a social with all the chat, is that cool? Indigo, man, Indigo is the sponsor of my motherboard. Literally. Indigo, the man came in, he's like, how much was that? Because remember, that was when I was having all those CPU problems. I had multiple lemons, and that's evidently a problem with if you get a motherboard that is meant for a Threadripper. They're all patented. All the companies have the same patent, right, from one maker. And so they're all 50-50 chance of being lemons or not. And I got a lemon. And so one night, I don't know if y'all remember, it was one of my first green screen nights ever because of that. And he tipped $400 to pay for it. So it's if you want to do a social, yeah, we can do a social, man. Whatever.
Social!
Indigo, this is for you, dude. And this is for the motherboard I still have. I'm looking at it right now, listening. Thank you, man. That's a man, oh my God.
Bruh. Imagine that.
Imagine.
The back.
Imagine.
Cave chickens unite to drum up a hat.
To drum up a hat. That's in the drought we've been in. Oh my God. This has been the grindiest. We're going back to hey, you just started streaming levels of grinding on, it's just been that way this week. I don't know. Dude, it's sometimes you're on, sometimes you're off. It's weird, dude. Dude, remember what I said in Alice and Nathan chat? It's live streaming. The only career where you can do this and this. Y'all remember that? So, anyway. All right, we'll do a spin. Wayne Bass, and thanks for 3333, the attempt on my life.
Well, hey, that's why we got Patreon. It keeps the stream going.
Yep. It does. Kings. Here's the spin, though. Social again. Indigo, drink twice. Don't you dare drink once. Hey, y'all, notice this I gotta get new I gotta get some more. This is the old Matt Beasley R. Like I told him what I wanted and he got me this, and then later I got the new script R. But man, this is legacy old R right there, man.
Wait.
Yeah, it'll take a sec.
We're not there yet. If we dump tomorrow, we're gonna.
It's just almost hard, almost impossible to believe that we would dump again. You know, like it just seems like it seems too idealistic that another dump's coming, right? Like it seems so implied that the dump's gonna happen tomorrow that like it won't happen. It almost, you know, it's like weird.
Wicked volatility, but yeah, I think you're gonna see some profit taking.
Oh,
on
Fridays
short.
never happen, dude. Fridays, it never happens. Well, it all depends. Yeah, right. Let's see what kind of candle we get. We get a big bullish engulfing, or
end of the month and redistribution.
Mogaz is in the description. Look in the description, dude. We'll have to add the new meme of the month or the old Skyward.
Skyward.
Please clap.
Open mic.
Gosh, I will destroy you, Skyward.
Okay, I'm sorry.
When you did the Echo Connect, that should be Skyward's like signature thing. You just start talking in the Echo.
Talking in the Echo.
That's what Skyward's.
I could talk like this. Bring it.
There's the Echo Connect.
Oh my god, man.
Oh my god.
HG tore Skyward a new one for being
Dude, y'all
staying
wanna-
long in UVXY for too long.
Dude, I can talk like this all night if you want. Every time you try to fish my
Come catch me, Corona Connect.
Come catch me. All right.
It's like
Irakanji.
Toto.
What is it? It's like Toto. I can't even hear it. I have to turn it on. Hear my voice.
Tonight.
Another social. Dude, there are so many voices.
12:30 fly. Where do you get all the voices from?
Something called Voice Mod Pro. I paid for
Freddy
the.
Krueger?
It's a lifelong subscription that I can do anything I want. Hold on, let me find one. Well, we can. There's probably one's equivalent to it. Like, let's just see real quick. This is called Police Bot.
Hello, I am a police bot. I will destroy you. And then there's a party tab. Oh my god. This is so stupid. This is this one called Ruby Growth. Hello? It's honor, dude.
You're Spaceman. That must be new. Sorry. This is not the time to be messing around with all these.
8 bits.
Why not?
I don't know, dude. Who knows?
There's a gap from summer of 2016 on the SPY at 203.23 is the lowest one I can find. Oh, there's more.
What is this?
So basically 20,000 SPX or 2,000 SPX.
Oh my god.
2,050 XPX.
But I saw that one filled already, right? On the daily? Kind of, in a way with a wick, it filled. Am I wrong?
Where?
You said what was it, 2000?
June 29th or June 28th, 2016. No fill.
June of 2016 on the futures?
On SPY on SPY.
Oh, SPY Connect. But I don't know if it should matter, right? Like if you know, there's a gap there, but
is indexed. It's not a traded thing though.
Yeah.
SPY is traded.
Yeah.
You can't put like a limit buy.
Yeah, September 2017.
You have another one November 11th. And then, yeah, you have June 30th. And going down further, anything?
There's another gap at 229.
You have another.
Kind of.
Another one, February 12th, 2016.
Oh, I don't want to think about it, man. That's devastation.
65.
Dude, that's like oh my god, we're in serious trouble, man. Like that's big thing.
Wow.
Dude, the volume that came in on the dump is so telling.
Oh, there's a huge gap down from 2013 at 153. God. Oh. That would be the end of the world.
Yeah, it could be. I mean, like in a way.
It'd just be like the whole stock market would be Amazon. That's all that's left.
Oh my god.
Them, Walmart.
Imagine what happens to the rest of the world. I mean, like, they're screwed even worse. Like, oh, we're screwed? Well, what level of screwed are they? You know? I'm just saying. I don't know, man. Like, everything's interconnected, and the U.S. consumerism is the only thing holding this world together. Like, you and me, everyone that's in North America, pretty much, that buys and sells things, if we all stop doing it, it's over. It's over.
Yeah, it's not very sustainable.
There's like industrials, many things are in recession already. They're just already, selling. It's like not what it was, right? Everything is tapering off, but U.S. consumerism. Once that ends, it's done. Last line of defense. And we know, right? We're like 3.5% unemployment, and every time we get below 4% unemployment, historically, within 6 months, 8 months, or whatever, a year, we're screwed. The recession starts. I'm just saying, like, there are many things going on right now that are real, that are not good, and this was the case before, but the euphoria of the pump with the central banks kind of, maybe people forget, and really that last stupid little breath up. After I tweeted about the bearish divergence, the 1618, it went above it, and it's like, what the heck, man? This doesn't even make sense. And then it dumped to insane levels. God.
Yeah, we haven't gone up. No earnings have been, every earnings has gotten sold into, and then we kept running up. There's a lot of, I don't think anyone predicted this, but.
Not quite. Insiders maybe. God, the freaking insiders for Nvidia all got it.
We're gonna have the quickest flat. Yeah, I'll give you 2 Ripple for both your calls.
Stop building a Bitcoin Citadel.
Worth it.
Wait, I have a breathalyzer.
If the market dumps, it's not gonna be good for Bitcoin. This is gold, all that stuff. Those are hedges against inflation.
Okay, chat.
Market's absolutely nosediving. Everyone's gonna pull into cash. People are gonna not do it. It was.
Oh, this is so pathetic.
If you went through 09, yeah, you were a king if you had cash. It'd be like us going to Australia right now with.
We do have cash, man. What? I'm at. This doesn't make sense. I'm at 0.128 right now. What?
Whoa, what?
Dude, something's off here on your breathalyzer.
Yeah, when you were just.
Oh yeah, I was just drinking. That's true.
You just drank.
I did. I just drank. You're right. I forgot.
So, can't do it.
Why's Bank of America's ticker here? BAC, Cabot. All right, I'll turn it off. Yeah, nice job. Nice job.
How did they not get, what's the ticker B of A? How did they not get that?
Spin for Jeff. Thank you.
BOA? Yeah, I know, man. BAC. Spin for Jeff? All right, I'll spin. You okay with that, Probst? Being spun for? It's on you, dude.
There's no ticker BOA in the US.
Yeah, there's no.
There's an Australian one.
I know.
All right, this one's for Jeff, not me. I will not participate in this unless it's social.
Who sent it?
Mr. Schaffer.
Oh, okay.
All right, gulp. You must gulp. That is the rule.
Gulp. Bull?
Gold Connect, yeah.
How about a
Oh, $100 is nothing? It is something. It's $100, man. Mike.
And you can go back and read the Protecting Your Portfolio with Spy Puts article.
Yeah. Ooh.
That's the same one I sent you a while ago.
Tycho came out with a new song? Alright. Official audio? It has to be brand new then. What? Tycho's doing things. About time, man. Tycho is the cool band that I play. Logan, you remember when they came out, their new album, Them and 311 came out when we were in Austin. We were listening to it. Such good music though that I'm playing. Oh my god. What a great set. This is like one of the best sets. Dude, this is like a new... this is... Yeah, 89 views 13 minutes ago. Tycho posted this. Alright, we're playing it right now. Oh.
Oh, I can't hear it on.
I know, y'all are screwed. I turned it up too. It's 100 views. Happy to be the 18th like on this brand new... I love Tycho because they like upload to YouTube before anything. Oh man. Sit back and chill, chat. Look, dude, it's the Collective Stock Market is their album. That's like all of us after the drop this week. Oh my god, man.
What's the ticker for? I think it's ACWI. Is the entire world stock market?
ACWI?
I think so. I'm not sure.
I don't know. I don't know. Looks like the S&P to me.
W1 Dow. Well, yeah, that's...
It doesn't tell me like iShares, MSCI, ACWI, ETF, miscellaneous investment trusts, mutual funds. So dominated.
It's I think it's W1 Dow. Dow Jones Global Index. So that was the one that we weren't making higher highs ever.
Man, what a gap down, Jesus.
Kept making new highs.
Look at this freaking gap, dude. $80. Dang. And then another gap at $75. Ridiculous. Just devastated, man.
I'd rather have gap down than the...
You filled a gap. A gap
like
filled today, October 2019. The gap filled. That's crazy. Look. I mean, you've probably seen it. But
there's several gaps that went down. There's one little one on SPY.
That's
Look how long it was in that freaking range, dude.
Yeah. April 2019 until October 2019. Not too long. But yeah, look here. Listen, you know how you had this insane dump, but like before was a range and then it was the same range outside, right? On the other side. That's pretty wild. Jeez. And
so how do you
go ahead?
How do you handle big gaps down? Because like I trade with a pretty tight range, tight stop and short targets, and I got burned a couple times this week on gaps down overnight that when I
running stop,
there's just no chance to.
Nope.
You just have to come in and sell, or hold.
Dude, you have to understand how big of an anomaly this week has been in terms of like historically, like how often this happens in like 200 years or 150 years or whatever, 120 years. I don't even know. It's just so rare, and if you don't get out on the bearish divergence at the top, then yeah, you're kind of stuck. And we're waiting for the rally. We're gonna get a rally, and how that rally performs is going to tell us a lot about where we're heading next, right? Because the V-shape, we get another V-shape like this, okay, we might recover. But if we don't get a V-shape like that, then the recession could be here. I mean, and there were many signs, there were many reasons why we were already in a recession or going towards it. And this could have been the catalyst that hit everything. I mean, dude, what's happened?
Yeah, and that's why you say sometimes the best position is cash, honestly.
Yeah, dude, it is.
Conspiracy theory that if Bernie
Like
gets
staying out of a
nominated,
trade and just watching, waiting.
JP Morgan and his buddy, they will keep the market propped up with whatever they can until election day. So if the market is, if we're going through a recession come election time, might not be
Yeah,
good.
but I think it's the only
Dude, yeah,
do.
it's so bad.
This,
Like,
I don't know.
I don't know how
There's-
Trump and the
there's
Fed
a
can
lot,
keep this
Jamie.
going up. Like, I don't know how they can.
There's Jamie Dimon and all those guys can keep it up. Citibank deploys all their capital. They get BlackRock on board, whatever his name is, with his 7.1 trillion.
Freaking new Tycho album. Heck
Got
yeah.
enough money.
But I'm only like 30,000 subs off Tycho. Let's go, dude.
What if that's the big plan? It's Logan's favorite guy is that we won't mention his name.
What if they try to do all that?
They're
and
dumping it right now just to fill all their long. You get long for this Trump election campaign and pump it.
Dude, I'll tell you that Bitcoin looks way better than the S&P 500 right now. Like, way better. Like, I'll be...
Want to see a really bad one? Check out Anheuser-Busch, man. It like didn't even blink its support. It just fell through.
What is it?
It's been tanking for a while now.
Oh.
Bud. BUD.
Oh, yeah, Bud. Yeah. I remember, yeah, that was one you were looking at. Remember the downtrend, though? It was so nasty.
Booze and consumer staples keep you up.
Jesus, that's so disgusting. But I remember we talked about it, right? It was like
do too well either.
bear trend.
Well, because
I was looking for like a double bottom, but
your global consumption is going to be bad, so you have to go to U.S. consumption.
Oh my god, this is so nasty. Oh. Vomit Connect.
Anheuser-Busch has been doing, I mean, they still sell Bud, but they're just starting, they just came out with the seltzer. Which is
Oh,
doing
yeah, they
well,
did.
but-
That's such a
Man,
nasty
futures
job.
are brutal, man. Oh
They
my
get-
God.
Are they getting worse?
They're getting wrecked.
We got too many people talking.
Satoshi, dude. What's up, Satoshi?
What goes on right now in futures doesn't mean anything. The last 2 days, it's been way up at this hour.
Hey, Jeff, we want to hear from Satoshi right now.
Yo, what's up, going on? What's up, Brian Crocker? Thanks for the 5, dude.
Thanks for the daily insight.
Sorry,
If you
TTS.
have a moment, please comment on my chart in the Discord.
Oh, Brian Crocker? Yeah, where's
right?
that?
Where has 1G been? 1G has been missing in action.
Oh, there he is. Crocker, man. We're talking about Bitcoin, perpetual swaps. I think XBT, right? On the weekly. So the uptrend, I don't know how you got your uptrend, you know, where you like, yeah, we broke the downtrend, of course, but the rally, I don't know how you were able to get us still inside of that channel. You might want to zoom in and show your work, right? Like, you know, if you've got a channel plotted like that, and I'll just pop it up real quick. If you've got a channel plotted like this, I want you to kind of show me your anchor points. Zoom in, show your anchor points again, so we can look at it. Because, like, you know, I mean, if we got a channel that I've got plotted zoomed in, it's like we broke out of it, and that's okay. Like, that's completely fine. Again, man, like if you're looking at the weekly, dude, it's like potential inverse head and shoulders idea is gorgeous. I mean, it's like Bitcoin is nothing's changed in the consensus of like in time, Bitcoin could see 52-week highs again. And it could start because of the weekly inverse head and shoulders. I'm going to do this in log. Look, you also have, sir, look, I've got 1 and 2 down here, but then I've got 1 and 2 here. And it's like there's another maybe demand line that this, you know, Bitcoin could run down to before hitting it again. And then that might play out perfectly for that left shoulder head, right shoulder idea, of course. And you could get an inverse head and shoulders on the RSI too, man. But what you're praying for is like we're losing positive momentum on the weekly, so eventually we'll go red again. But you're just hoping for a scrubby amount of negative momentum there. So I don't know, man. To me, Bitcoin actually looks okay. Like this, I like this a lot better than the S&P right now. That and the stock market. Bitcoin actually now is like better looking than stocks. Wow.
There's a little bullish.
Yeah, I think the 8200 looks good.
Front month VIX is trading way above the back month VIX.
What do you mean?
That's a good sign. So they're saying volatility through March, April, or we don't think it's going to be nearly as volatile.
Yeah, probably not. Yeah, and that could be the run up. That could be the low volume, low volatility attempted rally. And then eventually it makes lower highs going into the summer. Sell in May, go away. And then we go to, you know, another wave down or something. If, like, things are bad enough, man, like, we don't have a vaccine, like, what's going to stop, like, I guess what's catalyzing all this is, like, the numbers keep getting worse and worse and worse. The quarantines, the supply lines, supply chains are just shutting down, going to a screeching halt. I mean, everything's guiding down.
Back up Monday.
It'd be up for, again, how long? I mean, the technical damage done is so severe that any rally, you make a lower high, there are not enough buyers. That's not good at all. That's like a lower high and you dump again to lower lows.
Nice.
Why not put your money in real markets?
Yeah,
Luke says, I'm usually like that, though.
That was a lot of...
Kraken.
Why not put your money in real markets? Well, Luke, guess what, dudes? I mean, you look at things as they are, and you can't say I wasn't here live when that Thursday and Friday were bad. You can't say I wasn't here when the market was open being like, hey, man, Mondays after this kind of stuff's real bad. And then, like, you dumped, and then we're here on Monday, and it's like, hey, doesn't look good. You're not oversold. And then it kept dumping. And it's like, what do you want from me? Like, as a streamer, like, what do you want? You want me to be like, you just want the markets to just keep going on for...
We had the big attempted rally today. We also had one.
It was pathetic. Yeah, it was so bad. It was like a rally. You couldn't fill the gap.
Yeah. And then just towards the end of the day, just sell. Which is, from my understanding, partly...
This is wrong.
We're
Tycho's...
getting close to four-figure hedge funds or money managers getting liquidated. I have to look on FINRA and see like all the licenses getting revoked.
Jesus. Do I think we'll see another drop in BTC? Yeah, probably. Yeah, I think we'll see another drop in BTC. Yes. Yes. Why would we not? We're not oversold on the daily. And the 4-hour just got a positive momentum, and we're just kind of like flagging now. Yeah, I think we'll see 8,500 again. And if we're lucky, maybe we'll see 8,200. And then by that time we see 8,200, we will be showing 4-hour bullish divergence, and there might be an opportunity there. Maybe. Yeah, I don't think the selling's done on Bitcoin. Based on everything. Based on the actual technicals. And that's okay. That's not a big deal. It's not bad. Like, you gotta love that Bitcoin does its thing, right? It respects the TA very well, the wave analysis. It does it over and over and over again. You gotta love that. So the fact that it does that that's why I say it's okay to see lower prices.
Wave 1 with the smaller pattern, so it can retrace all the way up to 99%.
What are we talking about? S&P?
If you're doing Bitcoin, or this is...
I think we did X to A. X to A is done, right? And now we're on A to B. We're on A to B now. So we're figuring out which one. Is it going to be the 50%? Doesn't seem like it, right? Based on we're not being oversold. We're just barely getting positive momentum on the 4-hour, right? So you think that you go sideways for a little bit and then you dump again. And then when we dump again, that's when we're going to get 4-hour bullish divergence. But we might be at 84, 83. We might be at 8,200.
Alright. I was like, what the... There's no... In actual wave analysis, there's numbers and then...
Waves. Yeah, the wave, right? X to A. That's the first wave.
There's no X in.
Well, well, if you're talking about harmonics, which is a different form of, it's not Elliott wave, but like it's another way of interpreting waves.
This would be the 0 to 1 impulse. Is it broke trend, and so now it's an impulse wave down.
Well, okay, if we're gonna do ABC, then it's A. Now we're on B, and B is gonna finish. We'll go to C, but I don't think it's like that. For me, I think it's harmony. Like I don't know about Elliott wave. I don't use it much, but I do think we're on XA. We're on A to B, and we'll get soon whether it's 8,200 or whatever, or even if we're lucky and we get 8,000, I think that's going to be A to B, and then we're going to get a B to C wave after this one. That's not going to be as large as X to A. It's going to be similar of a wave like A to B. It's going to be B to C, lower high, double top, higher high, and then it's going to
using different signifiers, but it's the same relationship that we're describing, but just different terminology.
So in general Elliott wave theory,
but same relationship.
Your ABC correction wave generally ends around where wave 4 ended on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulse up. So your first impulse up would be your recent lows, the come up, the pullback down to 70 something hundred. I don't know what it is, and then your wave 3 would have been all the way up and then the peak down, so you could run anywhere right around the 0.5 area would be where general Elliott waivers would think it would go, but it also should be similar in length to the A correction.
But they're all different takes using Fibonacci as the base, so there's a lot of like a relationship between them, and so you can describe one more abstractly and it would relate to the other.
Yeah, it's a different world, I guess. Like, I'm not going to get along with an Elliott wave person.
They're all,
I guess. Yeah, because I'm with
they're
Gartley.
Like the same thing, basically, but just different ways of approaching it.
Yeah, I'm an HB. What's his name? HB Gartley guy. I'm not an Elliott guy. So, XABCD to me. That's what we're doing. We're doing X to A. We're now on B to C. We're on A to B. And soon we will reverse. Probably it's either going to be 8,200 or 8,000. We'll have a reversal. It will create our smaller wave, which is B to C, and then we will have the much larger wave down that will be C to D. And then the 786 is 7,400, and that's the value area for a long. So we want to see a harmonic. Why would we not want do that? How many times we get that, right? On all markets everywhere. When you break out, you have your rally, and then you form the harmonic, and the harmonic comes down here to these levels, and it's like, oh my God, dude, this is it. This is the long, the 786, the 886, where we could be kings, and we see it over and over and over where it rallies from there. And that's the big trade, but that's going to take time, isn't it? It'll take a decent amount of time.
From the 80, I can't even tell what your numbers are. What's the 0.5 retrace there?
8,500, 8,474.
So from your 8,200 wick down, if you went on the daily and went up to the highs, came down, and then did back to the double top, can you get do you have anything there?
What, ABC or XABCD?
XABCD.
Look, if we 618, if you're talking about, like say you come up and you can't break this crazy resistance, which I would see as being very understandable. Like that's serious, right? Say you come up to 99.50 to test it, right? 78% retrace, and then we sell off, and then our PCZ is down again at 7,300, 7,400, right? It could be just some crazy Gartley. Or if you're, insane circumstances where you go up to the next resistance, you could have a cipher. Or if like a miraculous thing happens randomly where there's no technical analysis involved on why we reverse here, just besides critical support, because you're not oversold. Normally you're oversold when you reverse on Bitcoin, and we're not, right? We're just in bearish territory. It could reverse here, and you could still get the same thing. But if it's a 50%, then the PCZ is the 886. So I'd prefer Bitcoin sells off more, so when the actual PCZ occurs in the future, it would be not as deep. It'd be, more shallow, the 786. So the 886.
I think we had something similar to that when you had that bat drawn.
Well, the bat is how it would be now. Like, so the bat would be a lower high anywhere. So it could be here, and then it's like 886.
If you used, you'd have to go to the 4 hour. It's not really your swing low on the daily, but from January 24th, so that 8,200 low up, you're approaching right now a bullish bat area. Already kind of bounced from there.
Yeah, we're in bullish bat territory. Yes, but remember, it could end up being a bullish cipher if it went to a higher high, which we have no idea right now. Like if it ended up being insane and hit like the net, it broke 10,500 and went up to 11K. It could end up being a cipher where you run up and then we show like weekly divergence or something. Ooh, bearish divergence, and then we have this huge wave down, and then like by May we're getting the PCZ or later or whatever.
Showing you're filled. Hold on. Where the hell is my Patreon? Oh, there it's in Patreon chat.
XABC D. Okay, you're going from January 27th from this low.
It's a little cherry picking, but
Yeah, it's a little different.
9,200 down to.
So what does that mean, right? If you have your idea and I have mine, that means yours starts playing out here, and it starts rallying, an attempted rally. But where we are, right, on that, there's no bullish divergence on the MACD on the 4 hour, right? So we would.
Though, to be fair, that could double bottom and rally.
Right at 0.5.
Well, if it double bottomed, then that would be a 56% retrace. Okay, so. And are you talking about here? Yeah, double bottom. I don't know how though, right? Like if it breaks 8,500, it's going to 8,200 probably, and that's exactly where that is, But sure, and that would be 55%, which is kind of nebulous, and then we'd have to see the next wave, and it could rally. We'll probably have a rally around this area. Like the rally will be soon, but it's just not. Yeah.
You can go 55% on the cipher.
Yeah, but Cyber or Bat or Gartley, it's so close. It's like in between, right? 50, 61. You normally don't want it to go to 56%. You either want a 50%, right? Or you want a 618. Like, you don't want 56, because then it's like, what the F, dude? Like, am I going the 886 for an entry or 786? Now it becomes nebulous. You want it to be as perfect as possible. But, whatever. It's all like hypothetical. We will see. Dude, there's like someone talking on my music, and it sounds like someone that's really quiet trying to talk. Can I BAC right now? Is it too soon or too?
You should be good now.
BAC now?
About
Yeah, Bank of America
minutes.
now.
So when you blow, get your air out now. Blow all your air out as much as you can, where you can barely talk, and then start blowing into the machine. It wants the bottom of your lungs.
Yeah, just go until you can't anymore, and then go another 10 seconds. Like, where you can't even feel anything anymore.
Here we go, dude. Oh, wow, I'm still legally able to drive. You gotta be kidding me, dude. Like, how is that? Why, dude? Like, what the F?
I have that same thing, and I've tested it against.
I'd try to go longer, man. Like, it feels like you're out of breath, but you could probably still breathe. Like, try to do 30 seconds, like 30.
Well, that's what I did. I got all the air out of my lungs, and then I did the blow, and it was like perfect. It's like 0.69. I mean, that's super sexual, right?
0.69. Oh man! Not only.
Oh my god! How many drinks have you had?
I had the snake handler. I had a beer. I chugged another beer. I think I've only had like maybe 3.
That's
because
crazy,
the snake
dude.
handler
And,
and the 2 beers.
In California, it's like 2 beers and they get you with a DUI.
It's probably right.
Yeah, it's probably right. Yeah, the snake handler was like 2 beers, and then I had 2 here, right? And so it's like, yeah, hours have gone by. It's like midnight.
I'm within 3 hours. If I can get.
So Matthew, thanks for the sub.
Just over five like light beers, 5.5 light beers, and still be like 0.078. I can be at the 786.
Is that a joint?
Anything, Jeff?
What's up, dude,
Can
man?
we take
Thanks
a
for
look
the
at
420.
Canadian oil,
IMO.
divergence on daily, weekly, monthly, or critical
Oil,
support.
dude.
The next couple of days are gonna really make or break for a lot of stocks.
You want to look at, in my opinion.
Appreciate what you mean behind technical damage.
Oil's going down to 45 to 43 bucks. Unless the Russians are
Appreciate,
playing.
yeah, dude, man. Thanks, dude, man. Yeah, devastated, just dominated, destroyed, obliterated, eviscerated, capitulated, somewhat inebriated. Okay, so the IMOs have it.
That was poetic, dude.
All right.
There's a lot of bullish divergence on a lot of energy sectors.
Yeah, of course. Chesapeake Energy been showing bullish divergence for 10 years now. Just kidding.
The sector that has already been beaten up the worst of the past decade is still selling off the most. It's
yeah. Look where you are. Oh my God. October 2008. This is where you are. Jesus.
ExxonMobil lost like $240 billion worth of its value in like
So
1 day.
so did everything else on so did the big 4 today. They lost 200 billion. It was like 150 to almost 300 billion today.
Those are $1 trillion market cap companies.
Yeah, true that.
Exxon was the biggest at 300 billion, and now it's sitting at like 320 billion, and it lost about 80% of its value this week.
Okay, so IMO is at this critical effing area. Yeah, bullish divergence could be going, but dude, look how bearish the trend is, and we're talking about bearish since the oil glut started in 2014. Yeah, maybe scalp, dude.
This is bearish as F.
It is super bearish, but it is at historical supports, but look, 2733 is also historical support on the bottom side, so could go lower. Yeah, there's a gap that could fill. Well,
MK stock bounced off of the 1993's highs today.
Dude, that's many assets did that today. What a hammer, though. Look at this daily candle. That's pretty gorgeous. I mean, that's the support. You fell all the way down to 28.20. Oh, man. Quite the hammer.
Have a hell of a time getting through $30.
Yeah.
My greatest week ever in the history of history.
Oh my God.
Spy puts have been life
Nice, Texas sports fan.
Thank you for all you do. Love you, man.
Cheers, dude.
What if they
Congrats.
gapped up tomorrow morning? IMO gaps up and runs.
Abandoned baby
What would that be
connect.
called, Mitch? Yeah. That's
Did I answer before you could finish asking me? Oh, just kidding. Jeopardy connect. I'm just kidding. All right, let me spin for Texas sports fan who said.
Logan's favorite Japanese candlestick pattern is the abandoned baby.
Oh, nice, Logan. You just got wrecked. Texas sports fan
That's
just
rude and
destroyed you.
racist. And I got wrecked.
You did get wrecked, man.
Texas sports fan.
You like baby?
I have to add the new thing. Hold on. Let me add this to the full screen real quick. Wayne Batson's. I mean, I think it's the best of all time. I think the newest meme of the month is the best of all time, and it's not.
Houston Rockets are playing the Mavericks tonight. He's just rooting for a good game. He's rooting for the refs.
Yeah, he is. He's rooting for the home team, dude. But we're all from Texas. Well, then I don't care. Everyone who scores a point, I'm cheering.
Yeah, I live in Texas a lot too. There's not one person that roots for multiple teams.
Well, he gave the story why. Like his kids started going.
It's not a Texas.
He was. I think he was a Longhorn. Then his daughter started going to A&M.
Yeah.
Yep.
Texas sports fan. Are you still a Houston Astros fan? Ooh, that's a big question.
I'm looking for this
There's actually
picture.
a lot of people out here in California that root for a lot of teams. Bad.
he might be the only
Go team.
Masters fan. FYX. Hey Mitch, you'll load all my SPY puts today at 306. FYX, guaranteed we pump tomorrow now.
Yeah. I think it's over now. I think everyone's screwed.
No, FYX just posted that he's all in SPY put. So
Well, he's up to like $2,000 or something on those puts, so it's time to go break even and sell.
yeah, he's about to get wrecked. Just counter trade.
Gotta find this effing photo real quick. Where is it? Where did I put it? I had it on my PC.
I'm screenshotting that for the history of the greatest turnaround day in history, just because FYX.
Yeah, FYX has puts.
Yep. Screenshotted. Yep.
Oh, I know where it is. It has to be here. Hold on. Detroit TA community memes. Come on.
Going in Alice Nathan chat, so we have it forever.
Oh, there it is, rooftop. Boom. This is the best. I think this very well may be the best meme of the month of all time. The just amount of work that's put into it. You'll see it in a second. It's delayed, but I don't think.
I have it as my desktop
Me too.
background.
Me too, dude. It's that good. It's like I did have the.
Dude,
to be
but
fair,
with-
I had
but
the
with
Santa
XRP
Claus.
dying off. What about FOMO chasers, dude? With XRP dying off, come on.
That is good. It is good. I don't know which one I'm gonna cover. I'm gonna have to probably cover Is That a Moon?
Contextually, like this one, the one that he made will last
freezing.
forever. But the FOMO chasers is going to die once XRP does.
No, it won't. It'll actually, once XRP dies, it'll be like legendary, right? I mean, it'll be like.
And the Independence Day one is pretty funny, just because Jeff and Drink Troll's face.
I put it over the Is That a Moon because that one was good, but dude, we gotta have space. There we go. Perfect. It is there, forged in time. Beautiful.
All right. Yep.
So what is the meme of the month though? What is the front runner right now for meme of the month? No, it's this one. This one hadn't even won yet. You know, this was posted like February 3rd, the rooftop. So this one's already like won. Yeah, remember
I thought
what
that
won?
one already won. I thought we
Nope.
were on the next
You know what won last month? When I had to put it up is Death in the Chat. Remember? Death in the stream or whatever. You know what I'm talking about? You're in it.
Yeah.
Vegas. I don't even think
I'm
I
just
don't know.
like, no, I haven't even been looking at the dates. I've just been looking at like which ones are the best. And usually it happens at like around a month time.
Yeah, but sometimes like Black Plasma or Wayne, they'll post it like the first or second of the month just to get it out of the way. And so then the month will go by and you're like, did they win last month? It's like, no. They posted this month. So I gotta
Black
get,
Plasma's too humble. He's like, I'm only going to make one a month.
Wayne
Yep,
Batson,
but it's gonna be
Black Plasma
good.
can't post until after the 15th. It's like welfare checks. We get to
Is it?
first to the 15th. You guys, because we're destroyed by the month. The month started, and it's like, well, might as well not make an effort. So we're graded on a curve here. We're all gonna get Fs.
I gotta get this. I gotta save the Death in the Chat and I gotta put it up somewhere. Dude, we're just getting to a point where the quality meme of the month is always so
Going
good.
back to Logan's thing, it's like shorts liquidated on BitMEX. There's nothing, huge spike, nothing for hours later, and then Lily, remember she came in, she was like,
Yeah,
I'm going short here.
She was like, I'm going short. She was trying to be so cool. And then about 15 minutes after she said that was when that giant short liquidation came in. I was like, oh, there goes Lily. Bye-bye.
There it is. Save this. Death in Chat. Man, what a stream. What a day. It's been a long one. I'm dead. Physically dead.
Hey, Fadi Kawhi, don't listen to Siri when she says, I'll put a lot into Chainlink.
We're about to catch a death cross on exponentials.
Here we go. This one's for you,
Cowboys,
Robes. The
Rangers,
TTS.
Mavs and split now. House divided on Texas and day and noon.
You give it 20 seconds. Thank you, Texas sports fan, Kangs man. You've clarified it for us.
Thanks.
There's
Pause
definitely
recession. Yeah, if there's not a recovery tomorrow, I definitely think Wednesday, Thursday. Especially if a certain guy does well in the Super Tuesday.
I'm gonna put this right here because it's not like blocking anything.
Cowboys, Rangers, Mavs, and
it's freezing.
And SP something. I can't see it with all the memes. House divided.
Yeah, the death in the chat, dude. It's so good.
I'm trying to. It's like I can't. Sometimes like OBS will freeze. There's just too much stuff going on. There we go. I have control again.
Maybe on Patreon nights you just leave the like starting and ending screen as like all the memes together.
Yeah, I have that as my BRB page. I got to figure that out. How I would do it. I could revamp everything and get rid of the old startings. I could just make I could duplicate starting soon that I have normally, and I could randomly different times have a screen show or like watch it. You'll see. Or
No,
it's
that'd be
like
good because
BRB.
like they're so much better when you can see all the details because the details really make them what they are.
Ooh, I gotta change that. Oops.
Oh, the meme, the winner of the meme of the month. You already have it in there. That was posted on February 2nd. That was like
Well, he didn't win
meme
yet.
of the year.
Yeah, it is.
Oh,
But the rooftop, but we can't vote until
Unless
in 2 days.
Madsen gets really on it, or Probst cheats to hire someone to do it for him.
Nah, it's like
What the
Wayne
heck?
versus Black Plasma. That's the duel.
Copy.
The shitty memes are the best.
Sorry, I keep doing this.
I think Ace G Douglas trading in the wrong zone is top 10. I think Aussie 85 just putting Ace G's name in meme of the month is in the top 10.
I'm a big fan of
anything
Bitcoin
is
and
cheap.
Mitch Red TA, Al Gore, former president. No peace president, man. That's a mustard have better, man. That's so stupid, dude. Now I've got a few mounts. Look, watch these, dude. It's so good. I just want to keep it on BRB the whole
Just
time.
give us a slideshow. Just like put a slideshow on.
It's done. It's done. I just have to update a few more.
Jeez, parallel parking.
Let me in.
It should be MK instead of Golem though.
Hold on. I have to pee. I'll be right back for real. Just give me a
It's the
sec.
other way around. The FK's parking on top of Ace G's
Yeah,
car.
it doesn't matter. Just that duality. Of those two, man. Perfect.
Oh man.
Oh, these are all great.
Yeah. Phil Centuro staring at like being the fat guy from Hangover with all the harmonics, like me looking at harmonics, just like confused as F.
Dang, some of these I haven't even seen, dude. I'm like, missing some things.
I don't get
some
this.
crudely drawn joint with Elon and
Yeah,
just had a Halo truck.
No, that's the Cybertruck.
Cybertruck, yeah.
Yeah, that's literally what it
Now
looks like.
Elon's flying on a Cybertruck.
It's just planning on getting one. Yeah, this is funny. And is pulling the Ford F-150. I think Mitch went to the bathroom. If Mitch actually gets one, I think Drink Troll may never speak to him again.
Dude, one of those Brave browser ads that popped up the other day, it was like their whole advertising scheme and their commercial and their promo video was all using Elon's It's Not a Flamethrower. It was like some clothing company or something. And they were just flamethrowering their clothes. It's like, what? Fake tips. Oh my god.
I don't get
heard
that
you,
one.
Satoshi.
What's Garbo?
Oh, there was some Joker in the chat talking about how TA's fake fibs are garbage. So
Yeah, it's like the ignition coin meme. It's like you had to have seen him come into chat to realize.
Proof of steak.
Proof of steak, baby. Where's that ribeye at?
Yeah, don't come around here scamming or talking trash about technical analysis because you're gonna get destroyed.
And then become a meme on a wall of shame.
Those are my favorite meme ones, by the way. Anytime somebody just gets destroyed like a Benito,
Yeah, Benito was like one of the early ones, I swear.
I appreciate you guys adding to the culture when you do that kind of stuff.
X1 paper.
Oh my god, I didn't even see his hex one.
Oh, that's you, Brad. Nice.
It is me.
Yeah.
I didn't think I'd be on there.
Looks like a sweet. It looks like a
mini me.
It's like
Yeah, it was like a 80s metal album cover or something.
looks like an arcade game.
A little bitch in a rocket.
Oh my god. Damn. How'd someone find your family?
Yeah, dude, we could just. There's so many, and I could add.
Oh, the Nike dump? Oh my god. And right at the pinnacle of the swoosh was when the guy got fired from the CEO position.
We just like stepped down, I
Well,
think.
yeah,
He was like, oh, we hit a
forcefully.
1618? Yeah, time to step down, dude. Thanks so much. So I don't
Us
even
as
know.
Nike, we respect people. We don't fire them.
See, this could just be a
They quit on their
podcast
own.
screen, right? Like where it's just like, oh yeah, man, just leave it up, dude. We talk, man. Like, good morning, everybody. If you're just tuning in, I hope you're enjoying your morning coffee, man. Oh my god, you know, like people talk on
Good choppy
podcasts,
morning
radio
memes.
people. Coffee and the memes, man. How you doing? I mean, I don't know
Get
how
you a
to.
digital frame to go up behind your wall, but you don't have any room. And then just have all the memes. playing
Oh, this one's gorgeous. I love it, man. There's so many of them on this. I put so many
I'm
there.
so far behind. I had to go to the boys' room. I'm at.
Shaming.
Yeah, bro, straight.
Dude, I just want to leave it on this screen. It was so good. We don't get to utilize this enough.
I love it.
Man, I forgot about half of these.
Dude, we have so many of them. Like, I could just keep it going. Like, and now I can add more. I've got like a month and a half more I can add. So it'll just keep compounding, and then we'll have so many that it won't ever like loop the whole way. Pretty lit. So what people talking about that Nikki is down 1,000 points right now? Something? Is this true? Anyone?
HSI would be Hang Seng, which would be Hong Kong.
K Buffy. Oh my god.
Most everything's down, but I think it's just a reaction to us.
Yeah, what's new?
Keep
Yeah, devastated. Yeah, it is. It's awful. Yeah, it's down 800 points.
Too many memes for one market to handle.
Yeah, pretty much, dude. 800 points, man. Largest spike in negative memos since December 2018. Most ever sold since.
We were down 200 points at like 10:30 in the morning. So my time, in the span of 2.5 hours, we dropped almost 1,000 points. That's
Dude, look.
insane.
You know how we know you're a bot or something? Oh, never mind. Maybe not. Yeah, you're definitely a bot. The person who just talked said, dude, listen to me? Okay, no problem. Because he didn't say anything at all, I don't think, this entire stream. Right? So it's like.
Another story.
Oh, maybe he did. He's not a bot. Never mind. They're talking to. Never mind. That person's talking to someone else. You don't even know. I don't even know. Sorry. Anyway,
Or they're
destroyed.
just talking to themselves.
Dude, isn't it gorgeous though? The supply line, like how you hit the resist up thrust. You couldn't even up thrust. You're just perfectly scrubby, and it just was diverging.
I'm so ready
That
to Oktoberfest.
RSI is gorgeous, dude. Jeez.
What's up, Wayne, dude? Welcome, man.
Well, listen.
Welcome, the graphics guru.
Did I get my spin yet?
Did you get your spin? I believe you did. Yeah, I don't think I owe any spins. I'm not in debt. Dude.
I played this as a
Look at 3 meters.
3M. What's up, Mr. Thanks for 5, dude. Damn it.
On JPN, whatever, 220, JPN 225.
Devastated.
Wanda. So the July high down to the low, ran up, it hit I think the 786, but then went higher, but didn't trigger my stop.
Here it is. Here's 3M. At an 88% retrace, light to Jesus, man. I mean, it was there, it rallied, it looked like an inverse head and shoulders or something, but it's still just downtrend. So low to high, 886, 148.79, fell below it. Not much support. I mean, you got just one from like 2014 here. After this, if you do break this and can't hold above it, you will see, crap, there's like one right there. Oh my God, 140. But chances are eventually you'll see the 100% retrace. You'll see that 133, 134, yeah. But like you gotta look at that one little December 2013 peak, maybe. So yeah, there's support down here. A lot of it, right? Not much on until now, right? There hadn't been much support till now. I mean, there was a decent one, I guess, maybe up here, back from February 2015. But sorry, man, you're still in scrub mode. Like, not much we can.
They need to start producing masks, though. It's like everywhere they're sold out, dude.
Look at the weekly.
It's like,
it doesn't matter. They can't make enough money off the mask.
Weekly's still just blah. There's not any kind of. There might be divergence soon, but I think there was divergence, and it played out in this scrub rally, and then the S&P dumped, and now it's like new, and it's like you're not oversold, so you could keep going, keep selling off till oversold territory. I guess there's a trend line like 1 and 2. You're kind of right at it, so if it's gonna reverse, it better be soon, or you're just gonna break that trend line.
3M runs up to like 154.77 and puts in a nice hammer doji there.
Yeah, there's a gap fill on the weekly at we just said 157. Right there, never filled. So yeah, it might be a gap fill. I don't know. Again, dude, like this is all not going to be based on like impending price action, reversal. It's not just going to be knee-jerk reaction because you're so effing oversold on the indices. Like the pump will happen. It's not going to be
off the Dow. Like Walgreens, Boots Lines, 3M.
Don't you say that, man. Don't say that. I love Walgreens, man.
Chemicals.
Dude, don't say that. I love Dow. I prefer Dow over Ecolab any day, man. Kappa.
Well, if they changed it to Grau.
Captain Lunchbox, yes, he does trade setups in Patreon.
He's asking if I will, though. It's like, yeah, when Bitcoin's showing a reason to go long, absolutely, man.
When it's worth it.
Yeah. But like I was giving reluctant trade setups on Bitcoin. It was like really just like, hey, can we ride the wave? Nope. Failed. Because like it might run up to 11K, but I don't know. But it's not really a value trade at all. So we're waiting for value. We're waiting for like, you know, we're in moderate value areas, but we're not showing bullish divergence at these areas, meaning, and we're not oversold on the daily, meaning there are much lower prices Bitcoin could go before there's like a pretty nice looking opportunity. Okay, that's what I'm saying. You had the opportunity in early January. It is now about to be early March. Okay, well, if you're looking at the daily time scale, you gotta be patient, man. Like, right, you have to be. We've had the wave. The wave's over. We have a new wave, but it's a sell-off wave. And so, like, we wait for a reason to buy versus just, you know, oh, it's sold off, but that's it. That's just not how it works, right? Why is my music so loud? Jeez. All right, I don't know. I'm getting kind of tired, man.
Did those stupid algos flag the Hendrix song?
They did, but I deleted it, and it's still processing.
You were able to delete it?
Yeah, thank God. I mean, miraculous, dude. Freaking miraculous.
Yeah, dude, I was telling you, anything Hendrix, man, they don't mess around.
It's like,
dude, only recently they even allowed any Hendrix music to be on YouTube. Like the
well,
last
it's so contradictory.
Ages.
It's so contradictory because that song you played was about not becoming part of the like materialistic system.
Yeah,
like,
but
not
he's
being a
dead,
commodity.
so people.
And then they flag you for it.
Yeah. Oh, dude, it's like
You know,
Nugsnet,
oh my
like
God,
banning me, getting me copyright striked was
yeah.
so contradictory. Like that's like really Fish, a jam band that's like against the man, dude. But like
Yeah.
somehow I'm getting banned, right? Really? Like first, I'm just like. Anyway, they were cool in the end because we bombarded them with emails, so
Yeah.
it was good.
And like, there's like 7
of the
people that work for their whole company. We found them all on LinkedIn. And we're just like,
Email,
Spam
LinkedIn,
ball.
whatever. Yeah, I mean, I reached out to the CEO and an email.
yeah, but it's like, come on, what? You know, you gotta back up like what you represent.
It was more so because like I didn't realize what my streams were getting taken down for, but it was Nugsnet, and I'm like, Fish, I never get taken down for Fish. There's no way it's a live stream. But then we found out, like, oh, they bought the right to Fish and the not Grateful
Yeah.
Dead, but Dead and Company. They just bought the right to all these new live performances. So any new live performance we can never play, but we can play the old
Yeah,
stuff
those-
before they acquired the music.
For their copyright protection, they supply like
is Sony.
algorithmic flags to the algos. So when they supply a song, even if it's not one they have rights to, like if it's a previous recording, since they supplied the algo flags, it'll still flag under their copyright, even if they don't have ownership of it.
Ownership
But I guess
connects.
it's automation, man. No humans on YouTube.
Yep, it sucks, but it's how I grow because there's so many people on it. There's so many people. There's gonna be so many content creators, and then there's just gonna be not enough people. So whatever.
There's a big dude. God, he was involved with Google before. Now he's running space for Branson. He was on CNBC this morning talking about how he couldn't really talk about Google because he's a non-disclosure, but
The NDA
like,
Connect.
these big companies, he thinks that the antitrust suits are gonna win and they're gonna get broken up.
Good.
Dude.
Pathetic. Oh, you want to see it? Hey, look at this. Look what's going on the Nikki. Just a little demand line, like from that December low to August 2019 low to where we are. Look here, listen. You're just right, effing at it. Oh my god, scary. Wow.
What's the
You-
retrace? I'm
From-
going for the
From the major low to high.
I'm going from the stub. I'm going for the stubs.
618. You're touching. Look, my god. Look at the 618. You touched like a Jesus. It was confluent with the 20,962 area of support that I'd plotted. From
so
October
I had a
2018.
Harmonic going from the where you had the up thrust, and then retracing. I think it was a Gartley, but
X A B C D.
it went up past it. So that first part, and then it dropped down, then it popped back up, but never hit my stop. And I forgot I even had it.
Oh, it went way too deep. 786. You'd be ruined. Unless you just decided to have your stop.
First entry. Yeah, I did.
Yeah, if you had your stop above X, you were safe as F. You just been underwater for a little bit, for like weeks.
It was on Evolve, so I kind of forgot that I even had the position open. Man.
Okay. Well, yeah, it's gorgeous. Look at it. Bam, destroyed. So
Was it a Gartley?
It certainly was. Well, I mean, like, yeah, it was a Gartley that went awry, but never got to stop out points if you do it the Casey Stubbs way.
Where it pulled back down. So it started retracing a little bit in the 23.
Just chopped, man. It was like you'd lose your mind. Yeah.
Well,
Oh, it's good. It's good. So like the first target, if you have your stop so high, the first target's really like 20,127. You haven't even hit it yet. Like for real. Like that's like you're close, but not. Casey Stubbs. If you have a stop up here and an entry here, if your stop's that loose, then you have to swing for the fences. So 20,070, and then your second target's like 18,000 or 19,000. The second target, which is A. C and A are the targets for profit taking. So yeah, I don't know when you'll get there. If you'll get there, you could rally, then dump. It could take like a month or two or more.
I'm gonna take some profit.
Yeah, it's nuts, dude. Yeah, it's crazy.
I'm not going stubs. especially with that upsloping support line.
Could that just be seen as like a broadening wedge ascending though?
Broadening wedge, ascending broadening wedge.
Yeah, if you look at where you're
Ascending broadening formation, it's not a wedge, which I got called out for.
Right angled and ascending broadening formation.
Wedge ascending.
Oh, like where is the first anchor point on the top?
From where? So from A, like that's where it would start, and then B towards the high at the 786 would be the top line.
From A?
Meh. I mean,
B,
like whatever.
B to B would be the top line. A to C would be like the bottom line. Right?
Well, I mean, if it is, then a measured move puts you at A.
So it broke already, yeah. So it broke through, right?
I mean, kind of. It
but
broke,
that would
but
be
not.
Another way to measure it.
It has not broken like with confirmation because it's the daily's open right now, and so if it closes below, then it's a breakout. But then you gotta like back test. Who knows? It's terrible, right? Like you think this will rally before dumping lower because of just how over effing sold it is, and if we get that relief rally on the S&P 500 or just the New York Stock Exchange, you're gonna rally too.
The cards that FYX is heavily short.
Yeah, if he's short like that, then we're gonna probably rally tomorrow. It's gonna be like, oh my god, I can't believe it's the first Friday in history we've ever rallied, dude. Good. I'm looking forward to open tomorrow so we can all laugh. Okay.
Yeah.
It's gonna be hilarious.
Finds in. They're all ready to go.
Well, what I'm gonna do is get out of here. I'm tired. I've been live 2 hours and 16 minutes now. Second stream of the day, so gonna let the blizzard commence. Come on, man.
Not even marathon yet. Not even marathon.
Dude, there's like no challenge, man. It's too easy. Without Drink Troll as my opponent, it's too easy, dude. So it's like I'm not gonna. Y'all aren't gonna beat me. Like chat's not gonna beat me, dude. In this crazy sad market right now. No way. No one's getting me obliterated, so it's okay. I understand that. It's like no one's fault. So
some dude around
I'm just taunting in a way, right?
In December he bought on the I guess VIX options for 10 cents a piece. He bought like $5 million worth of 40 calls expiring in June.
FYX is awake right now.
What's that? I haven't seen him.
He's talking in chat. I don't know if he's watching the stream. Anyway, all right, I'm gonna hang up. Yeah, he's in the zoo.
Good night, brother.
All right, love y'all. Yeah, thank you so much just for supporting the stream.
Yo, put on the memes. Put on the meme slideshow if you can when you close down it.
All right, I'll try. I'll do it.
Put some memes for the peoples.
All right, I'll do memes. Love y'all. Amazing. Best community ever.
Later, Mitch.
Kangs, thanks for the support.
Hi, brother.
Ending it well. Much love. All right, chat. It's you and me in the blizzard, the storm. Thanks for the likes, love, support, the contributions, everything. Y'all amazing, and gosh dang it, Rick, what are you doing, man? Oh, why would you wait like until the end of the effing stream?
Thanks, man.
Devastated. I don't know, man. I'm too tired to analyze now, man. And now you got me like playing this song I love so much, and it's like, what the heck, man. So yeah, low risk areas, I guess. Every time you hit these areas, you become Kangs. So yeah, on the weekly here. This is the weekly. So yeah, inverse head and shoulders, maybe, man. Yeah, maybe. Oh, you already broke the channel. All right, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Okay, well, your neckline's freaking 338, 340. So if you break that, dude, we already got targets, dude. High to low between 463 and 665. A gap fill at 741. Those are your targets if this is to play out. You break 340, you could be Kangs. That's it. That's all you need to know. Thank you, dude, for the threes. Just to reiterate. So anyway, I love y'all. I'll be back tomorrow. Light of my life. Till next time. Respect.
Stop and talk about it.
The T. A.
Just too easy to see. We're always lucky if we see fishes. We go fishing. Thoughts meander, rising all around us, rise and fall and rise again. Always stop and talk about it.
Look here! Look, listen!
Strong beliefs, oh, like ideas come to life, turning atoms into rain and stone, the sands and tall trees. Worlds pass by, undefined description. Stop and talk about it. Talk about it. And my earth, she dances till she dissolves into the light. Illusions of life. Oh, my earth, she dances. Deep romance and poetry. The songs of Rumi, Gurdjieff and Adidas. Dance in the lights. Dance in the lights. My earth, she dances. Oh, my earth, she dances.
Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much, Mr. Devil. And thank you so much for Win Bassett. And Smiley Face. Smiley Face, you almost got me, dude. Dude, look how close you got to getting me again. That just shows that, like, there's just no chance it will ever happen again. But the chug variation will go off. Oh, big one, blow 8,000, 800, man. Oh yeah, jug of beer, man. Jug of beer.
Wrapped.
Yeah, we'll see about that, Jacob, man. Thanks so much for the TN. My God. Unreal. Axe. Axe. Sorry, Dad. Don't say never. I'm saying never right now, man. Jeez, backdoor destruction. All right. God, it's like now I like have to open another beer to drink like the 2 socials and the freaking gold. My God. All right. I'll do it. It's just gonna get poured out, I guess. Okay, all right, I've done it. That's so loud, sorry about that. So is that all you got? I mean, dude. I mean, bro, if that's it, dude, I survived. Like, no challenge. I mean, no, challenging. Very challenging. Thank you, dude. Thank you all for trying. You did well, but might as well finish that beer.
Might as well finish that beer.
Oh yeah, I might as well. Yeah, well, only if you can get the chug, man. Thank you, Smart Man, for the elite contributions. Connect. Holy crap. Socialize, man. You can't beat me. Drink Troll can beat me, but Drink Troll is the yin, and the rest of the chat is the yang. I feel more comfortable beating the yang than the yin, and that's okay. It's no one's fault, all right? It's just the way it goes. So as I was saying goodbye, it was, dude, Smiley Face, thank you, man. And y'all got me. Wayne got me, dude. I can't even believe I'm still here right now. All right, Echo's still on. What? No one told me. What the? No one told me. Sorry about the Echo. Thank you, Miss Shepard. That's a medical god.
The Italian of Chat Connect.
Battalion of Chat Connects. We'll see, dudes. I don't think so. I think we're safe. Oh, yeah. Bruh. Okay, Social Connect. Here you go.
Bitcoin 8779, Dad. Another C's. I know Julia's out there being like, what the is going on? Okay, Julia, don't be scared. Wow, what a friggin' curveball. Like, it's over, dude. It was like over. What am I supposed to do now? There was motion at my door too. Ridiculous, scary stuff, man. The echo is perfect. I don't know about perfect. Okay, so Bitcoin looking weak. We'll see it 8,500 again, maybe even 8,200, and that's okay. Oh God, man!
Bruh. Carlos is hot right now.
It's so hot right now! Thank you, God, oh my God. What the F is this, dude? Please no. Please no. No! Okay. Okay. I'll go. Thank you, Mugatu Connect.
Bruh.
Oh, yeah? Yeah? I invented the bow tie. Was it the trash bag bow tie? I'm an innovator, dude. Thank you. I was mad at you for tipping too late. You kind of like kept it alive, right? I mean, like, it was Wayne that got the kill shot, but it was the Rick Schmitz who got the... It just kind of kept it going a little bit longer, man. And here we are. Listen to just amazing widespread panic. Kang's music. This is like one of my favorite songs of all time. Driving song. God. You got no idea, man. The just deep, profound thoughts. The flush of memories that go through my mind when I listen to this song, man. Oh my God. This is the song I listened to from high school, but before I started streaming, dude, this is a song I listened to all the time. Man. The change of everything. Can't believe I'm here. It feels like a dream every day. It really does. When I wake up, hey, I'm dreaming. My God. It's my investment.
Mitch died in a freak gas fight accident. Spin.
Jesus. Did I? I died, man. From your fart. Smiley farted too many times and I couldn't breathe, man. Kung Fu Chicken. Let's go, Kung Fu Chicken Connect. Thank you, Miss Jasmine. Threes. Oh my God. So a spin, right? A spin that's just not gonna hit. It's just not gonna hit. Chug, get wrecked, okay? No offense. No offense at all, like in the most positive way. But it's just not gonna happen, man. And there's nothing you can do about it. Get wrecked. I didn't think I'd be pouring this whole beer in here. I just pour like half because I'm like, I'm just paying off the debt. But the debt just keeps piling up. I can't beat the debt. This is ridiculous, chat. Bay of Fleck. Oh yeah, dude, Bay of Fleck. There was this one song I loved by them when I was in college, man. Oh my God, reminded me of the football days too. I remember like, oh man, bring it back, dude. Bay of Fleck, dude. Very good band. Bay of Fleck and the Fleck Tones, right? Isn't that what they were called? Brooklyn, oh my God.
Mitch, this is how you know you are loved by all. Revolving cards. They just won't let you leave and the world is right again. Thanks for all you give to our community.
Thanks, Brooklyn, for the threes. Well, guess what? the love extends to you and yours. Up in the New Yorkers, I believe, right? Y'all in New Yorkers? So, the love is reciprocated in perpetuity. Oh, let's go. The alcohol is finally hitting me. This is water beer, man. I don't know. And it's just like, I haven't drank like all week. And when I do drink, I'm only drinking like once a week. Dude, I don't know the last time how like, I don't remember the last time I was this physically active. Like every day I'm running like over a mile, over a mile and working out like physically, like on my body, stretching, like hardcore stretching. But like, push-ups, pull-ups, everything, curls, sit-ups, just working on myself, because I'm kind of losing my mind over here. In the heart of Dixie, where the heart of Dixie just doesn't understand what this life's about at all. And it's really hard to relate with anyone here. And I don't even know why I'm still here, except for my parents, man. Oh my God. Don't even get me into this. Wow. What the heck, man? Deep breaths, chat.
Bruh.
Well, looks like I've defeated chat. Chat, I'm sorry. I'm sorry it had to end this way, where I won. Where you couldn't defeat me. Okay? I mean, one more chug and I'd be defeated, but it's okay. You've tried, and I'm just so impressed. Okay? I friggin' love y'all. But I don't know what to do now, alright? So I'm gonna throw back on that BRB screen, which is the thanks for watching screen, so everyone can look at the memes and the emotes and all that stuff. But do your worst. Anytime you want, do your worst. Without Drink Troll, I got you. I got y'all beat. And it's not that I'm taunting, but I'm confident. Alright? I love y'all. Till next time. Respect the T. A. Love you and the gang. Graphics King, dude. The Emperor. You can't beat me. Man, oh my god! Holy crap, what the?
Is that a joint?
Dude, that's not funny. That's not funny at all, man. That's scary. Thanks, smiley face. And Win, I freaking love y'all. Oh my god. I trust you, man. Patron drink, get wrecked. If you're a patron, you are destroyed. Dead.
I smell a fake caged chicken.
I mean, like, at this rate, yeah, I'm probably screwed again. Like, the numbers that y'all are playing now is just, yeah, I'm gonna be screwed. Non-sexually. Sweet Mother of Jesus. That's a goal. Hold on. I think that's
$25.
That's probably Prebz. It's probably Prebz, man. I don't believe it. I'm gonna have to get confirmation via my eyeballs. There's no way. That's not real life at all. What the? Okay, I knew it was fake. I knew it was fake, dude. It's not real. Thank God. Okay, that's 2 spins. Still a little dit. Oh God, it was so close to Logan. All right, a social. Okay. I have to get another beer. Like, y'all are literally, you realize you just now made me drink 2 beers in like 20 minutes, and now I have to open another one to continue this fest. Sweet Mother of Jesus. Hold on. Okay. I think I owe another spin, but also owe a social and a spin.
Not fake. Suga swears. Trust me.
That's all I can say, dude, to that. Crack a can, as Julie would say, crack a can in Australian accent with Vegemite. Vegemite. Okay. We got. I think that's like 2 spins and a social drink. And then it's fair enough right there. I'll fill it up all the way. Alright, so I owe the social. And then 2 spins. And the music's loud. Whatever, dude. Okay, social. Okay, spin again. One more spin and then we're done. We're out of debt. Patrons drink. Get destroyed if you're watching your patron. Get destroyed in a positive way. Bruh. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're all caught up. Thank God. What the F has happened to this stream? What happened, dude? Oh yeah, Brad Fisher.
Hi,
Okay,
this is
dude.
Julian from Wayne's Computer.
Brad Fisher, hi. Juliet from Wayne's Computer. Well, that is too many names, too many peoples. What it warrants a spin, and it's real life. Okay, we'll do it, man. Okay. Patrons, man. Social! Blessed matter, oh God!
It's been. I mean,
Okay.
it was a great night, Mitch. Night.
Bruh. You misspelled night. Don't make me get my double-edged knife, bat knife out, okay? I will get you. Alright, your spin right here. I'm no debts, debt-free, baby. That's a chug. Mother, dude, are you kidding me? Unbelievable.
69% of the time, it's solving all the time.
That's definitely spinner drinks, man. That's not chug, dude. That's not chug at all, dude. Come on, easy, man. I'm not looking at anything, dude.
Nah, it's okay, dude. It's just on spinner drinks, man. No big deal, man.
You know, joke's on you, because this is the last beer I have in my house. So, yeah, it'll be chugged, but it'll be it, dude. There'll be no more alcohol. Well, there'll be no more beers. And somehow I go from like 3 beers to 6 beers in like a matter of seconds. What the happened, dude?
Just enjoy, man. Oh my god, it's this shit.
This is 1G.
Hi, this is 1G from Dan Stylus Wi-Fi from Reek Schmidt's basement.
Oh yeah, is it, dude? Where's your con jellyfish, man? I thought he had something to do with the internet connection. I thought that was 1G Project's internet service provider was the Euroconji network. Okay, dude, we know what's going on. The jig is up, or something.
Matt Beasley's here. Chat up in the chat.
Care to advertise your channel on my new webpage?
Bit Blaster.
Dude, let's go to bitblaster.io. Oh, sweet mother of God. Do you understand? Like, I owe the chug, which is like the only limited amount of beer I have left here. I chug it, and then there's no more, you know, connects of connecting, with just debt owed. Thank you, Matt Beasley, so much for the whatever, dude. Yeah, know what I'm saying? Oh my God, it's Lando! HOC!
1101010101010.
I feel bad for that guy, Brad. You know, I feel bad for him because he was on vacation when the others screwed everything up.
Note to self: catching bat knives creates wreckage.
It seems so. And the blizzard just continues. Hold on a sec. Why in the world will we not have snow falling? Are you kidding me, dude? And why in the F will we not have sickles of ice connecting like the connect?
Genghis Khan, jelly.
Whale deer. Womp 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 womp. Matt Beasley has diabetes.
Yes. Matt Beasley has the diabetes. Scott LaRock, are you kidding me, dude? These are legendary tips.
Watching screen.
Oh, dude, Scott LaRock, thanks so much for bearing the hatchet, man. Hey, dude, I figured 20K, 24K, $24,000 was good enough for y'all. Right? So thank you so much for giving me back $10 or maybe $20. I'm just glad that Alan hasn't tipped because, woo. Alan, don't you tip. Be destroyed. These are a few, yeah, things, man. Oh my God. I don't know. I'm getting drunk. Okay. I'm getting kind of drunk, man. I'm trying to think about music, okay? I'm playing manual DJ. I've been playing manual DJ for a minute.
It's Alan Baum, man. Oh my God.
I'm a no talent lard ass.
Isn't Alan Baum, though? Isn't Baum like... Isn't that like the CEO of Dunder Mifflin? The last name? Baum? Alan Baum? Someone bat me up on that. The Office. Who is the CEO of Dunder Mifflin? Let me know, chat. Alan Brand or something. I can't remember. It's too similar. I'm getting too drunk now. Okay, hold on. I'm now trying to play manual DJ Connect. Just hold on. Un momento. Kraft mac and cheese. What is going on right now?
Blame my arrested probes.
Jesus.
Plus, I think you own 5 spins.
Yeah, I think I owe 5 spin connects. Yes, I do. I just gotta figure out what kind of music I'm gonna be playing that, man, because I'm getting a little freaked out, a little scared, because things were... You realize Rick Schmidt's just... Tyler Sparks, let's go, dude. Somebody post
It's your
this.
boy Sparks. What's good?
It's your boy. It's your boy Sparks.
Dude, we can find that. We'll play it. I'll play this on stream. I'll play the HOC intro video, and I'll let you all deduct this in the live chat. Okay, hold on. Let me just find a song, dude. Okay, y'all just destroying me, and now it's like, okay, it was funny. Now it's kind of scary. I'm a little scared now. Butt's puckering. That's okay, dude. Think I might go bowling tomorrow, dude. I went bowling for the first time in like 8 months, and it was just like perfect, like nothing, dude. It was great. I might do that tomorrow. I don't know. Just hold on, man. This isn't content. This is not content, dude. Jim Hendrix, man, don't play me, bruh.
Don't play me.
All right, I won't play you if we're cool, bruh. If we're cool. Sweet Mother Jesus. Oh, dude, of course. We're going to play this just to annoy everyone. I'm going to play this song just so people stop tipping, okay? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Five wheel spins, you say 6, 7, maybe? I can't hear you over all these southern tunes. And I owe chug anyway, so we're screwed.
Rolling down backwoods, Tennessee
You blew it with the war cry. Now blow into the machine.
Well, hold on. I have to... If I drink like now, I'm screwed, right? We gotta like let it marinate.
with the other.
Hold on. So that's 1.
A sweet soft
I think I have like 7 now.
You can't get on the lanes until you spin what you're owed.
Got a little jingle.
You're right. You're right, Billy. I think that's fake Billy. Billy would say midway of the hour thigh.
Couldn't feel better. I'm together with my Dixieland.
That's 2 chugs. 2 chugs. 2
Spend my dollar
on beer.
park in a holler neath the mountain moonlight.
Roll Tide
Hold her up tight.
against the wall
Make a little loving.
all
A
night.
little turn it up in on a Mason-Dixon night.
Auburn.
It's my
Wait.
life.
And LSU.
Oh, so right.
And Tennessee too.
My Dixieland delight.
I'm screwed, dude. That's 2 chugs. Y'all got me. You effing got me. I don't even know how much I owe now on spins.
Whitetail buck deer, munching on clover.
Munch, munch, munch.
Red-tailed hawk, sitting on a limb. Chubby old groundhog, broken
Spin
bullfrog,
that cognac spoon.
free as a feeling in the wind. Homegrown country girl, gonna give me a whirl on a Tennessee
Alabama Saturday night. I don't know,
Lucky
man.
as a 7, living in heaven.
Logan Red.
My Dixieland delight.
Oh my God.
Spend my dollar
on beer.
park in a holler neath the mountain moonlight.
Roll Tide
Hold her up tight.
against the wall
Make a little loving.
all
A
night.
little turtle doving on a Mason-Dixon night.
Fuck Auburn.
It's my life.
And LSU.
Oh, so right.
Tennessee too.
My Dixieland
Gotta love it, dude. Gotta love it. Logan, I know you're out there, man. Jeez. Sorry, it's a little loud. And some people don't like the fiddle as much as I. That's okay.
Look here! Look, listen!
Bearing offline does not ever stop it. Yes, it is. Yes, it does. Whatever. It does stop it, dude. Because if I just went unlive, none of this, whatever this has happened, whatever has manifested, would not have existed if I did not appear off. If I appeared offline, it would have effing stopped it. Okay. All night. I'm sorry about the curse words. Fuck Auburn. Sorry. LSU. And Tennessee too. I'm sorry, dude. It's part of the song, dude. Get mad. This is a PG show, dude. You don't ever curse. Yeah, but it's like 2 a.m. Eastern. Like, get out of here. Okay? Stock market's crashing. Wow. 3 chugs? Unbelievable, dude. Broken effing wheel. Broken. Wow. Wow, what a joke. Alan Baum, I am your admin. I am the admin here.
Is that you, Dodd? Dodd?
Dodd, is that you? Wait, stay-at-home Kangs? Stay-at-home Dodd? In the chat. Maybe. It might be. Only if we are Kangs. Anything but country, someone said. Well, just trying to get everyone out of here as fast as I can. So, you say no country, I say, oh, man. This song's not really relevant, but still kind of is.
You need to watch out your mouth.
And the Mississippi River, she's a going dry.
Oh my God. You mouthwash? I know. Washed out beer, I know.
The interest is up and the
Stock market's down big time.
If you go downtown.
Big time, dude. I don't even know what I owe on wheel spins.
I live back in the woods, you see. A woman and the kids and the dogs and me. I got a shotgun, a rifle, and a four-wheel drive, and a country boy can survive. Country folks can survive.
What is this, man? What is this? This is Rogan. 4 chugs. Get the fuck out of here. 4 hours of stream per day. Oh my God, that was life. Jesus Christ. I did not win. I won nothing. Oh my God, dude, what have you done? The 4 of us made you. What is it we say, ma'am? If you ain't into that, we don't give a damn.
Not counting drinks. You owe 7 spins.
Wait. Even after all the spins I've just done? Okay, so I got cocky. Yeah. Normally it's not a good idea to go one verse everyone. 1%. Dude, is anyone seeing this? Is anyone seeing this thing right now? Unbelievable. This is broken. This is not right. This is not real life. This is not real. This is a route. A route.
My grandpa taught me how to live off the land, and his taught him to be a businessman.
Country music is my favorite.
Okay, all in country music. Somebody get Emily. And maybe get Katie on the line. Kappa. Sweet Jesus, dudes. Can we get Alabama Rent? She is our admin overlord. Get the F out of here. Well, hey, I'll repay it. The debt will get repaid, of course, but I have to get more beer. No biking runs tonight. It's not safe. I've been drinking, so I can't do this yet. I can't do the breathalyzer. Sweet God, what have y'all done? The stream was over, dude. It was literally done. Dude, I freaking love this music, dude. Oh my god. HLC, I've done crypto!
This is your subpoena. You have been served. Give us our $50,000 or be Beasley.
What, you and Beasley teamed up, dude? Let's go! Come at me. Go sue my LLC. Good luck, dude. Good luck. Have fun with that. 50K, a lawyer is going to be like, 50K, that's not worth it. State lines? Nah, dude, we're good. Here's the deal we're offering. You get 18% for doing all the work. We split the rest because, we're no talent assets. Sounds like a good deal, huh? Well, that was literally the deal. You know what we could do? Let's see if it's on my, I think it still might be on my screen. Let me check my notes here. Okay. Is HOC still here? Because I've gone through multiple PCs and stuff. I don't think it is, but if it is, oh my god, we can look at it. Listen. Damn, dude, it's not here. I think it's on my other PC though. It's on my desktop. Damn. What's going on, man?
See you at the bowling alley tomorrow.
Yeah, see you at I'm dead tomorrow. Yes, certainly. You realize I'm just gonna play country the rest of the night, right? Just to ward off people, warding people off. Probes, if you don't remember the song, if Emily doesn't get this song, I don't know if we can be friends anymore. If you don't remember this from back in the day, dude. It's been so long, dude. Oh my god, dude. Seminole Wind! Bruh. Wow, it's been too long, man. I don't even know that I've ever played this on stream. You know, we had the country spiel back in the day. Old Randy Travis, right? Or is this, no, it's John Anderson. Yeah, John Anderson. Dang, he sounds similar to Randy Travis, right? I have to work full-time doing this. We have other jobs. It's only fair that we make more than you. You're right, dude. But don't worry, there's a lot that we have in the works behind the scenes, and you're just gonna have to deal with it. But we're not gonna tell you much, because we're a team. And you're not part of the team, you're just a lowly editor, Brad Fisher. Get the hell out of here. Dude, it's so funny, man. Oh my god, Brad, it was so funny how, like, when you were, like, coming onto the team, and they had this huge spite and hate for Naeem. So much that they were doing everything they could to, like, kind of sabotage, kind of, like, troll with fake accounts, his streams. And, like, Alan was like, guys, stop doing that. Don't do that. Like, Brad isn't into that. That's unprofessional. You're gonna spook him. You're gonna scare him off. Like, I swear to God, I remember it. But this was like when I was just joining the team, so I didn't have any hate or resentment towards Naeem really either, even though it was like, you know, he offered me to, like, stream on his channel. It's like, but he was the one threatening that he would ban me if I picked HOC's Discord over his. So it was like, I'm just gonna go with the one that didn't do it. Run, Travis, oh my god, man!
How dare you defile my name? I'm joining the Hawk Beasley class action suit against you and
Oh
your
my
ability
god,
to
dude.
spam.
Let's go, dude. What is it? Hold on. I can't even remember, dude. Is it weather? No, what is it? It's not party? Maybe it's live. I'm gonna go suicide on you, man!
Swing dancing, swing trading, and 3-bar play drinking.
3-bar play drinking, yeah. Just wow, the jar somehow filled up. What happened, chat? What were y'all doing before the stream was, like, ending? Y'all were just like, well, we got our cash reserves. Whatever, dude. We couldn't do this earlier in the stream. We had to do this, like, when Mitch is, like, done. I'm like, done, dude. Sweet mother of Jesus. Wow. I don't even know. Someone give me an update on the spins with the wheel. And I would 4 chugs or something like that. Jeez. I'm gonna play one of my favorites, dude. One of my favorites. I'm gonna break. I've already broken the seal, but I gotta pee. I'll be right back. I'm sorry, dude. This is too much. This is like an emotional. I'm trapped in an emotional case of emotion. Whatever. A glass case of emotion. No cappas.
Bruh. If there's a plane or a bus leaving Dallas, I hope you're on it. If there's a train moving fast down the tracks, I hope you caught it. 'Cause I swear out there ain't where you ought to be. So catch a ride, catch a cab. Don't you know I miss you bad, but don't you walk to me. Baby, run, cut a path across the blue skies. Straight in a straight line, you can't get here fast enough. Find a truck and fire it up. Lean on the gas and off the clutch. Leave Dallas in the dust. I need you in a rush. So baby, run. If you ain't got a suitcase, get a box or an old brown paper sack. Pack it light or pack it heavy. Take a truck, take a Chevy. Baby, just come back. There's a shortcut to the highway out of town. Why don't you take it? Don't let that speed limit slow you down. Go on and break it. Baby, run, cut a path across the blue skies. Straight in a straight line, you can't get here fast enough. Find a truck and fire it up. Lean on the gas and off the clutch. Leave Dallas in the dust. Bruh, I need you in a rush. So baby, run. Baby, run. Oh, baby, run. Baby, run.
What a freaking throwback song. Let's go.
If you really want to know, she comes here a lot. She just loves to hear the music.
Dude, I'm sorry. I know most people hate country, but it's like where I'm from and stuff. So it's like, oh my God, the fact that this song is even here is like, what? Maybe this song, maybe this will play. This will do it now. I don't know.
Hype in the chat!
I'm not legal to drive anymore. Let's go.
Some quarters and change. Maybe you can turn her love life around. Then she won't need the salt or
Wow.
lime anymore.
You got any questions about tears of chatting in the Discord? Mom. Blood damage occasionally want to run and get it, Dad. That's a bunch of Scotland Rock Man. Boom. Boom. Oh man. Dude, this country music's taking me back and makes me like, I don't know, the feelings are so weird, dude. Takes me back to like freaking middle school. Back when I actually used to love country and like it. And I don't really care about it now. But this music, man, oh, man. What song was it, dude? What song? No, this is on, like, this is a deterrent. This music is deterrent to people. Zoom under. Yeah. I've never done this before. Ever. No one's ever even done it.
Moisture is the essence of wetness. And wetness is the essence of beauty. Why do we have to come back to this damn town?
Wanted to make a new life for myself. I'm sorry I was born with this perfect bone structure, that my hair looks better done up with gel and mousse than hidden under a stupid hat with a light on it. All I ever wanted to do was make you proud of me, Pop.
With what? Your male modeling? Prancing around in your underwear with your wiener hanging out for everyone to see?
Oh, it feels so good! You're dead to me, boy. You're more dead to me than your dead mother. I just thank the Lord she didn't live to see her son as a mermaid.
Merman. Merman!
Oh my god, man! What have you done? Sorry. Excuse me. Hold on a sec. I had this, dude. I had this. I'm just not sure where I was going. Anyone know? Don't cry, bro. I know it's tough, dude. It's freaking tough. Oh, I know, right? I mean, like, come on. Come on, right? So... This is literally only to just piss people off, to make them stop watching, okay? This is the only reason. It's not any other reason, okay? So don't be offended that I'm playing this music. It's just like, hey man, we were supposed to be gone,
Sister cries out
but we're not.
from her baby bed.
You'll have to deal with this music if you want to stay. I'm sorry. Tough love.
Mama's in her room, learning how to sew. Daddy's drinking beer, listening to
24 votes. Let's go, dude. We got huge numbers here. Just gonna put it on. F it, dude. Doesn't matter.
And time marches on. Time marches on. Sisters using rouge and clear complexion soap. Brother's wearing beads and he smokes a lot of dope.
Is that a joint?
Mama is depressed, barely makes a sound. Daddy's got a girlfriend in another town. Bob Dylan sings like a rolling stone, and time marches on. Time marches on. The south moves north, north moves south. A star is born, a star
burns out. Excuse me,
We
hello?
don't hear music, only waiting for wheel spins.
Everything changes. Yeah, dude. Well, the thing is about the wheel spins, dude, I'm like out of beer. Yeah, I'm like out, dude. Like that's it. That's like it, dude. I mean, we can do them. So I mean, like, cause anyone taking tally. So I had like four effing chugs. Somehow, I just so effed up, dude. How does it happen? It's like so broken. 1 in 10 chance, by the way. Yeah. Okay. How many spins?
Time marches on. Time marches on. Time marches on. Time marches on.
Bruh.
Music.
Really?
What? Can't hear a thing. Louder, please.
Okay. It will go louder. So loud that everyone will quit the stream. That loud, okay? Thank you for the 10 and more wheel spin.
I am the premier texture of all papers worldwide.
Harry Paper, thanks so much for the 12. Freaking 12 dead. Hi. Sorry. No visual effect on that one. Okay, man. Don't be mad. Wow. Well, we were gonna... Oh, I got it, dude. Oh, man. What a good song. I freaking love this one. This is like one of my favorites of all time, too, Country. I mean, how do you not like this one, right? This is just like, oh, God. I mean, it's 4 minutes and 20 seconds, too. But dang. If this isn't... It was like something that I remember I square danced to as a kid. But my God, if I didn't know that this was going to be my reality. Like, real talk.
That lonesome feeling comes to my door, and the whole world turns blue. There's a rundown bar across the railroad track. Got a table for two, way in back where I settle on.
Social.
I spend most every night beneath the light of a neon moon. Now if you lose your one and only,
Patrons drink, get ready.
here for the lonely, to watch your broken dreams dance in and out of the beams.
Logan, get wrecked. Woo! Let's go. Get destroyed, dude.
I think the two young lovers are running wild and free. I close my eyes and sometimes see you in the shadows of this smoke-filled room.
Alright, social.
No telling how many tears I've sat here and cried, or how many lies
You gotta end it on the song, man.
that I
So deep, dude.
telling my poor heart she'll come back someday.
Alright, social.
Oh, but I'll be alright as long as there's light from a neon moon. Oh, if you lose your one and only,
More social.
there's always
I don't even know what spin I'm on, okay? All I know is I owe like 4 chugs. Stupidly, somehow.
dancing out of the dreams of a neon neon moon.
This has got to be close. I'm out of beer. This is the goal. I'm out, dude. I just owe. Someone tally up what I owe on chugs and what I owe on spins, and we'll pay it back tomorrow. All right.
Words of every sad song seem to say what I think.
I love y'all. Best friend community ever, and I'm just
Ain't never gonna end.
humbled. Always humbled. Y'all always humble me. Okay?
As long as there's light from a neon moon.
No bear. I
Oh,
got
if you lose your one and only, there's always room here for the lonely. So watch your broken dreams
Bring out the whiskey.
out of the beams of a neon moon.
I might just
Watch your broken dreams dancing out of
count myself out and just come back tomorrow. You know? I don't know, the song's getting me down, dude. But that's okay, man. It's not a big deal. I know the universe will pay me back. One day. Dude, one day. What a good freaking song. I'll crack out the beer whiskey tomorrow, Wayne. But I'm gonna probably go vomit and pass out. Okay. Y'all killed me. Y'all won. You beat me. And that's it. But I'll play this one to close it out for Probst and all of you. Because though it wasn't a great day on financial markets, for me, the sun was out. It was a beautiful day. And that was something I thought about. I really did. You know, I knew the stock market was crashing, tumbling. But I looked out my window and I'm like, if you don't look at the stock market, it's a beautiful day, man. It really is. Freaking love y'all. I'll be back tomorrow to repay my debts. Man of my word, always. I'll pay them back. Love you, Wayne. Thank you, dude. Seriously. Dude, spaceship. You know what we can do. Hey, remote control on my phone, dude. I can do anything. I've just learned this, so I love y'all. Till next time, I guess. Respect the tea. Hey.
I know the sun's still shining when I close my eyes. There's some hard times in the neighborhood, but why can't every day be just this good?
Excuse me, oh my god, dude.
Since I left home and said good luck to every seed I'd sown. Gave it my best and then I left it alone. I hope they're doing alright. Now I look in the mirror and what do I see? A lone wolf there staring back at me. Long in the tooth but harmless as can be. Lord, I guess he's doing alright. And it's a great day to be alive. I know the sun's still shining when I close my eyes. There's some hard times in the neighborhood, but why can't every day be just this good? Sometimes it's lonely, sometimes it's only me and the shadows that fill this room. Sometimes I'm falling, desperately calling, howling at the moon.
There hasn't been evidence that there are things could be in this area.
too, or take my old Harley for a 3-day cruise. Might even grow me a Fu Manchu. And it's a great day to be alive. I know the sun's still shining when I close my eyes. There's some hard times in the neighborhood, but why can't every day be just this good? It's a great day to be alive. I know the sun's still shining when I close my eyes. There's some hard times in the neighborhood, but why can't every day be just this good?
Midnight in Montgomery, Silver Eagle, Lonely Road. Was on my way to Mobile for a big New Year's Eve show. I stopped for just a minute, see a friend outside of town. Put my collar up, I found his name, felt the wind die down, and a drunk man in a cowboy hat took me by surprise, wearing shiny boots, a nudie suit, and haunted eyes. He said, "Friend, it's good to see you. It's nice to know you care." Then the wind picked up, he was gone. Was he ever really there? 'Cause it's midnight in Montgomery, just hear that whippoorwill, see the stars light up the purple sky, feel that lonesome chill. 'Cause when the wind is right, you hear his song, smell whiskey in the air. Midnight in Montgomery, he's always singing there. Well, I climbed back on that Eagle, one last look around. Red tail lights, shadow moves slow across the ground. And off somewhere, a midnight train slowly passing by. I could hear that whistle moan. I'm so lonesome I could cry. 'Cause it's midnight in Montgomery, just hear that whippoorwill, see the stars light up the purple sky, feel that lonesome chill. 'Cause when the wind is right, you hear his song, smell whiskey in the air. Midnight in Montgomery, he's always singing there. He's always singing there. Oh, Hank's always singing there.
Do you know the way?
Adios, turd nuggets.